Tell me, what is it that I do that others does not do? Tell me. No. I don't enlighten. Tell me. Because it dey bother me. Every day, you go to shout my name. Like headmaster of secondary school or principality of primary school. Betty. Eh? Waiting.
You want to know the trouble? The kind of report where people they bring about you in this village, the way they walk about the village with no integrity, they worry my mind. Abi you want me to get high back? You want me to get high back?
Papa Betty. Now waiting the cause voice up for this place.
Voice up? No be your daughter Betty.
Waiting Betty do you? Betty, what you do? Mama, let me answer.
Mama Betty, the kind of report where people they bring about Betty for this village. Now him and they tell her make a cartel.
Papa Betty, why they join people for this village where they condemn your daughter? Eh? Why they join people where they jealousy against your daughter? Eh? Which kind of man you be? Mama, please, don't bless me. You're not the learner. You know be learner.
I don't see you they support your daughter. Just the supporter. That's why they behave the way they behave for this village. Anyhow.
Betty, you be small picking. Mama, leave her now. Make she live her life. Eh? Me? Oh, my eye don't open. You see hair for my eye. I mean shave her. I know what they do. I know exactly all the things I do.
Okay, I don't hear your opinion on this matter. It's alright, it's good. But just go right on for war where water no go wash am. Bad advisor today, tomorrow regret is sure.
You say good age then they come. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. You no go good for you. Because when you begin to talk too much, you start to have problems in future.
Listen, whether they come or you know they come, to talk, na mouth, to ear, na ears. I don't talk am. If you like, make you hear. If you don't like, it don't concern me.
If I know you, I don't advise now. You are a learner. Betty, Mama, you be small picking. Live your life as you want her. You won't come out. Hey, yes. They go. Mama. Bless you. Don't bless me. You are not a learner.
Hey, come here. Janet, I think you come. What is the meaning of this?
What is that?
The way you dress. Are you going out like this?
Yes, now. Is there anything wrong with what I'm wearing, Papa?
I am dead, you.
Papa, why are you shouting, hey, and I am dead?
I am surprised. And because I am dead, of the shame you want to put me in this village.
But Papa, there is nothing wrong with what I'm wearing.
Will you shut up your mouth before I do something? Why do you want to follow the footsteps of Ezekiel's daughter?
Papa!
Before I close my eyes and open them, you've run 440 to go and change this swinger you are wearing and put on something decent and honorable. Why do you want to reduce their bride price in this village?
Papa, this is what I want to wear to go to where I'm going to now. Is there anything wrong with this?
Over my dead bodies. Over my dead bodies. Not when I, Chief, Sir, Nze, Night of Papa, Agabus. No, it can never happen in my house. I'm not the bishop say about this. It can never happen. Nonsense.
Papa Betty.
I dey hear you now. Who say I know they hear?
You dey hear?
I hear even the last one.
Tell me the last thing why I talk. Huh? Why you dey worry like say this heaven won't fall? Wetin happen?
Mama Betty, this is our daughter. They give me concern for my head. They give me concern for my mind. What thing I go tell you when? If we reach the promote exam for the elders, what thing I go tell you when?
Why you dey worry about Betty? Eh? Betty no be small girl. Betty na girl wey know how to manage herself. Every time you dey worry about Betty, eh? Na wetin?
Na him be your problem. Every time na pikin. Eh? But him go dey cause trouble to go everywhere. Okay, you no know the thing where we be from this village. Me, I be cabinet member of the kingdom. You be ne obodo, ezinne. Okay, what people they talk about us the way in the behavior.
You know wetin? You dey worry like fowl wey wan shit out egg. Yes.
Why no go worry? Why no go worry? When Betty mates, all of them don't get husband, even some don't get pikin for their husbands. He only go to walk about the village wearing show bottom and the dead woman's head.
Make I tell you, maybe she get plans too. You see that our daughter? Maybe she get plans. You no go know. She fit get plans. You no go know.
You get plans. Make I tell you something. Any person where fail to plan, don't plan to fail. Okay, quit and wait that plan go maturity. So that I go here, pump, it go be lost to bring us wine. You know, at times it's shaming me shame to follow others to go and drink palm wine and food for other people's daughter's head. When my own Odala, he can refuse to ripe and fall down.
But you get something why I dey think too. You sure say this our daughter no dey marry spirit husband? Wey make her no wan marry any human being?
No way! Fiakwa! Nevertheless, I say nevertheless. With whose permit that spirit they come marry my daughter? In contribution for the education or in contribution for the food way in the chop since. Any spirit will trial. I swear if I no kill that spirit for life, I go kill her for dream.
I just dey think Kamo. Because if not, why not? Eh? Na fine she no fine. Abi na shape she no get. Which one?
Now well done. I want to buy some clothes.
Which one?
No, gown.
Down there. Down. This one today.
No, I won't make I sit down with No, not just two I won't buy.
Can you not bring any other one? Make me feel like you like.
How much is the seller?
500
For the two. I have to come for me.
Now one. I want 100 naira.
You say 500 naira just now.
I want.
So I'll go down now. The 500 I get.
Guys, you go choose one now.
Take me. Wrap one for me now.
I want clothes, so a small package. Just wrap on like fish roll, they go enter. In the bag. Don't worry. Enter, finish. Obia. Obia. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Market.
Now still what they do.
You go teach me this your Okrika wake up business.
No money? You go pay now.
How much?
20,000 naira. My carton of malt, my carton of cola nut, my lemon bitters, and cabin biscuits.
I been to say you be my friend.
That's why I give you the cheap price now.
You wicked, I beg. I go tell me say I bring all these things plus all the stuff.
How much you want pay?
Okay, make it be say something happen. I'll give you 5.
Obia! Blah blah! Obia! That's what I be say. You go sit down for this my shop. They help me, they watch you shop. And so you go take them.
No wahala now, small.
This cloth, I guess it's the green one.
Mama Chetana.
I'll be back in the evening. Oh! Aha. Chetana, you don't come back from school?
Yes, Baba. Are you going out?
Mba, I am coming in. You see, punk. You see somebody dressed and I just go out. They ask me whether I go out. I come in.
My Papa, it's because I have a message for you.
Message? By who?
It's from my principal.
Principal. Tell that your principal or even principal. Shishi, I'm not going to pay for any other thing again. I will not.
Papa, see, they are not asking you to pay any money. They just want you to come for our prize giving day.
Prize giving day? What thing concern me for your prize giving day?
See, Papa, they will cook plenty rice.
Rice?
Chetan, they talk like say you don't know your father. No worry, I will come for your school that they call representative. Because as I see him, that will no day for a plan at all.
Can you be talking that will be come to the school? I am the head of the family. I'll be there myself. How can you go and representation me?
You talk say you no one come.
Tell the principal I dey come, my dear. Oh,
okay, Papa. But Papa, see, if you are coming, you bring some small money.
Money?
For the nation.
Okay. I can remember say I get a meeting with the chief Ilonze. From there I go to Bishop. And from Bishop I will return in the evening. So tell him I am commissioning my wife to representation me.
See, it's you that is meant to come, not the mother.
Wait, how can principal tell me who to come? Suppose if I don't get time to come, I know if you can send my wife for representation purpose. Make a call representation me. My dear, I commission you. Representation me for that meeting. I'm going to see Chief Udemba. Oh, good wife.
You see, you don't reach money matter. You dey go see Bishop. You dey go see Ilomba. You dey go see Udemba. Because you don't reach money matter. Cheta, you see this your papa? Now you me smart.
Mama. Where did you learn that one?
Now only you sabi speak English. I barely be.
Mazazuke, wait. And now what make you just stop me for all this time?
Mazazuke, you are my friend and kinsman.
Wham!
And there's no way I can see anything that will kill you and keep quiet.
Hey, man, that will be weekend. It will be weekend.
That is why I decided to stop you on the way to talk to you. Because they say delay is dangerous.
Wait, delay is dangerous. I beg who talk up?
It is a common Igbo adage, which you know too well.
Waiting just provocation your annoyance for you to stop me now on the road to talk. Waiting provocation your annoyance.
Mazi Azwike, you know we are the same. That is why I'm telling you all this. Because if the eyes shed tears, it must touch the nose.
True talking. That one na true talking.
It is your daughter Betty.
My daughter Betty?
Yes.
Waiting you do, I beg go.
Your daughter is not living well in this village. How can she be living a careless and an abominable life?
Are you sure you sabi my daughter well?
Yes, of course.
Well.
Yes.
God, I thank you very much. Thank you very much because you sabi my daughter very well. My brother, since you sabi Betty very well, you see this way you stop me, tell me. Just see am for road. Stop am. Tell am the same thing. Make you not disturb me with Betty something again. I resemble Betty. Nonsense. Betty. Nobody will help for you.
You go now.
Listen, I'm tired of this whole thing. I can't even live my life the way I want because my father is busy logging all the old titles in the church. Can you imagine that? And I can't even wear smart dresses because it's a night he thinks that no man will marry me.
But babe, sometimes could they listen to your father? Oh. You see these men, they be old men, they get wisdom pass us. But they listen to them sometimes now.
Now listen. Just take a good look at me now. Is there anything wrong with the way I'm looking now? Is there anything wrong with it?
Babe, get a CB.
Come, what do you mean by get a CB, eh? What do you mean by that?
Babe, sometimes it's good, but sometimes get a CB.
I don't blame you. Eh? You are even worse than my father. I don't even know why I'm wasting my time with you. I beg go. I'll see you later.
Why you dey go now?
Why waiting? No blame me.
I mean, you no get a CB. See all your laps there outside. Get a CB now. Hey.
Blessing. Is this an online shop?
Wait a minute.
Now you're trying to ask me question for question. Okay? Eh? Okrika is not to be folded. Eh? It's not to be folded. Just leave it like that.
That's what you want them.
I've eaten
Before I forget, you know Chiembalos?
I know him now.
The other day, he stopped me for to tell me stories about our daughter Betty.
What in our daughter can do?
Your own daughter Deo, he come to tell me say our daughter they live bad life.
What you can tell her?
What do you want me to tell her? I tell her say all this thing where you tell me about our daughter Betty. Just pack them together, wait for Betty. When you see Betty, you shift up the inside. You go hear Betty voice.
Nana, you talk the thing what I like. Very good. You know what you score? 10 over 10. Waiting again.
Mama Betty, I don't worry about our daughter.
Why now?
Okay, this kind of life where they live, now him ain't go take a get husband. A little provocate, she will quarrel with the human beings and even animals. A little provocate.
Papa Betty, relax. Eh? Our daughter Betty no get wahala. The only wahala we ain't get saying they holler, they shout. I never hear saying fight anybody. Abi, you don't hear.
No be question of fighting. Eh? They talk say Betty no they show good example. The kind dress where they wear waka for village. Even the one where they shot like this. If I see them at times, they think they make me shameful.
Papa Betty, Betty no be small pikin. You no be small pikin, leave her.
Whether I be small pikin or no be small pikin, the one where concern me be say, this kind behavior where they behave, the thing come, feel make them sack me for your cabinet. Like him be my fear.
They no fit.
They no fit.
They no fit. Now me talk am, they no fit.
I go why?
They no fit. Have you said?
Yes.
Give me the money you have said.
Yes.
Yeah. Ijimegwego. Eh? Give me the money you have said, Losisa.
Which money now?
Is it not your ask now? You tell me you have said. Okay?
Well, because you tell me say make I know the answer you question with question. I make an answer yes now.
Hey, mama. Eh?
No.
Yeah. Listen. Me and you, we are friendship. But business is business. Okay, ma?
I know.
I love you. Hapu Kikanka. The lady photo Kika. Hapu ya. The beauty is in the spreading. This one where you can't find me. I don't say wahala no day. Wait, make I
No wahala. But I say make I come see you for one small thing. Where they disturb my mind since.
sit down now.
Thank you.
Hey, my mind don't fly you.
Now Betty your daughter.
Wetin Betty don't commit again?
Now wetin people they say about am? Now make her come make we discuss.
Why are they talk?
People they say, no be me oh.
I know.
People they say, she dey too quarrel. And that she dey behave like one wey dey follow man too much.
All these things where you talk now the thing where people talk.
Exactly. You sabi say they talk other ones, but these ones na the ones I hear.
Okay. Make I ask you. You sabi say Betty my pikin na woman wey don sabi life well.
Sabi life well. Well, now wetin I hear, na him I can't tell you so.
Ngozi, I thank you well. I thank you well as you bath for your house. Package yourself. Even rub this lipstick for your mouth. Carry yourself, come for my house. Come they tell me this mumu talk about Betty. You know what thing go happen? It go better, make I call Betty. You know as you take tell me all this, make you carry am like that, take give Betty. Waiting, it go, let me see what.
No, I don't see you.
Betty!
I don't even come here.
Betty, oh!
I don't tell you anything, oh.
Betty, oh! Come, let this man, let us tell you what they talk. You know go come wait. Come now, you know go say. Come tell her now for your face, now make it here. Mumu people when they go man the place where they from their house.
My kinsman. Now welcome to this. The man where him brother the dance back dance. He the scratch eye. People that talk say make man come out monkey hand from soup. Before he name it, go come say na human hand. If man no look for him black goats for daytime, if night come, he no go see him.
Udemba, na your papa born you.
Thank you.
Make you use proverb teach us lesson today.
Yes, the talk say old man wey no sabi proverb, they call him elder young. Because we dey use proverb to sabi who the real elder be. Because now with proverb be the oil where we dey take chop discourse as we want discuss now.
Bam! That is why our people say that if you tell a man a proverb and explain the same proverb to him, it means that the dowry used in marrying the mother is nothing. A total waste.
Let us discuss the reason why we gathered here before we use proverb to scatter the whole meeting.
We not dey scatter anything.
I don't be scatter, my brother. The true thing with the talk.
We be elders of the land. My proverb, they take this. Maazị Azike. No be only dead man when they straighten the head. Now because of your daughter, where we hold this meeting.
Because when the eye they cry, the nose they follow cry too because they be neighbors.
Akala will be good people. Our pikin then they work out well. But the kind story where we they hear about your daughter, we no like her. We no like her at all. That girl, they teach our children to dress anyhow, to dress like Ndem brother.
And she fights and quarrels like good evening girls without home training. This community cannot accept that. Nowadays, our girls are learning to dress like prostitutes. Abomination!
With all those paint where they put for their faces. They look like Ekpo Calabar. That's how they go take see husband to marry.
At all.
At all.
My fellow elders, what you see in Mr. Rat's house, you also see it in Mr. Squiria's house too. Thank God we gathered here to discuss this matter. My own daughter Janet is also doing the same thing too. There is no day I don't quarrel with her because of her mode of dressing. And she always tells me, I'm grown up, I can take care of myself.
God bless you. God bless you. Why always me? I say why always me? Okay, make I ask question. Maazia Kenza, now my daughter teaching your daughter how to dress in that way?
Not so.
I'm happy.
My own daughter is older than your daughter. Maybe she has gone to school to learn this bad habit.
Okay, my kinsman, elders of the land, I won't ask you now. If matter be like this, what will we go do?
So now, why you dey squeeze your face? You price cloth, I tell you, you squeeze your face for my boutique. How can is one?
That's how you dey treat your customer.
Yes. Now so.
Now customer she be o.
Tuzupueba.
Oh my now.
Say no mind now. Come up for my boutique. Come up for my boutique.
Nonsense. Is this only you dey suck like a wake up?
Yes.
Nonsense. Listen.
Tuzupueba.
Only you dey suck like a wake up for this village, eh?
Anon chikwato. Idiot.
Because they say, anyhow I, Tia, we go carry am see. What we go do this matter now for this our community?
I cannot be alive and allow these children to deny me my respect and integrity. What will the Pope and Bishop say? What will the Knights of St. Agabut say? Why should I be sacked by the Christian Fathers Organization, CFO? I cannot afford to lose my Jerusalem pilgrimage title, JP, for anything. So I vehemently resisted her.
Now correct talk you talk. Now we born them. Maybe then go come tell us what they go do for our house. Okay, if they won't live like that, make them go look for house. Go live like that.
Full stop.
So, Mazazike, go and warn your daughter and tell her what to do.
What? Your daughter when they wear hot pants, you never advise them.
I know what we go do for this matter. We go send some people. Make them go talk to that girl. Talk to the girl because now the leg where Oshimiri see, where Ocean see, now that leg you go carry. Make we go talk to direct.
First. Good talk. I volunteer myself as one of the talkatives to her.
As one of the talkative. Yes. So we go send Maze Mbalusi and Amade. Make una go.
We know the fear. I don't want go to quick place.
To your place.
To your place. To my place. I dey wait for now. Make una come.
I'm waiting.
Nothing go happen.
We dey come.
Una come.
We go go. We dey come.
Hey, why you go do like this, Betty?
You know they see the way they squeeze in face my boutique market.
Customer dey right.
Customer, you idiot. Customer dey right. The customer get my boutique.
Customer no buy go shop.
Yes, I'll shop the money in my handbag.
If that money wey dey your handbag finish and customer come go strike, wetin you go do?
Baby, you have sense. Customer is right. But customer misbehave. My beat him up.
Be like say you no wan sell.
Now talk so.
Na me dey talk am now.
Zuzupuba. Idiot. Nekwe all the time. Nekwe. Idiot.
Sorry.
Abia. Nekwe all the time.
Papa, who is in the house? Man's weekend.
Mbalos and Amadi.
Hey,
you're welcome.
yes, well done.
My husband. Now welcome.
Our wife, thank you. Azuika, our brother. Now your daughter we won't see.
My daughter.
She there for house?
My daughter.
In there for house. But first, make una sit down and eat kola.
No, Mazazike. We are not here to eat kola nuts. We are here with an urgent message. So eating kola nuts will make us forget our mission here.
Exactly. I beg make una go call una daughter for us.
This message will not allow my kinsman to take kola. I don't understand. Make you call her daughter for them.
Betty! Betty, oh!
It's okay.
Magido! Jabi boy!
Elders, they talk say they won't see me.
They won't see me. See me here now.
See him down.
Oh, for cancy. This is preposterous and highly unacceptable. Amadi, you are still there waiting. I am gone. Same to me. Make her come and see my daughter now.
Let's see her now.
What's happening?
My daughter. Na long story.
There's trouble in this village.
So, what can happen? When I send the message as we tell you now.
Mazi Udemba. The thing where we see for Azuike's house, our mouth moving.
So what you can see for Azuike's house?
Abomination. Our eyes saw our ears in that place.
So Balose and Amade, make una tell me talk the thing now when our eyes see for Azuike's house. They talk for parable.
When we got there, Azuike's daughter came to us naked.
Mbano. How can? How can?
It's true. When we reached and told Azuike, make he call in daughter, make we pass the message. She came from inside house, naked, to see us.
How the girl go come to una elders like this naked?
See, let me explain to you. As we were waiting, then, Amadi, explain to him. And that's what I did.
This business is what? I'm calculating since morning. I cannot get the answer. Cheta!
Sister, what is it? Every time it starts.
Chunk. Come here. I'm minusing and plus my business since morning. I cannot get the answer.
Let me see.
This is how I sell it. This is how I buy it. Which one is profit? Which one is gain? You cannot see it.
Sister, you've not made any profits at all. Sister, you've only sold at a loss.
John, Cheta. There's no loss at all. I count all the clothes and it's complete. No loss, no one lost.
Sister, that is not what I'm saying.
Talk what you're talking, let me hear.
Sister, you sold all your clothes at giveaway prices. So instead of making profits, you have even lost your capital.
You idiots! You want to confuse me? You idiots! The capital of Imo State till tomorrow is Owerri.
Hey!
And Enugu equals to Enugu. It cannot change because capital is property, ground.
Sister, that is not what I'm saying.
What I say?
Sister, the capital I'm talking about is the money you used in starting your business. You've lost everything.
But why so?
In Ajum.
Eh?
Sister, can I make a suggestion to you? Sister?
Neku! Oh, Najum! You idiot! Neku! Idiot! Oh, Najum, can I make a suggestion? Nanu, Koya.
Elders, as this thing be like this, wait till I think we go do. Before that girl come spoil all our children, and then no go fit see husband to marry. What do we go do?
Look, I suggest we call meeting for the village and talk how we could teach her a lesson for this.
Actually, my people, that girl has the right in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to dress the way she likes.
Why are you talking like this? Listen, Umuakala, there no be Federal Republic. Nigeria is Nigeria. Umuakala, now Umuakala. We go take Mazi Amadi suggest. Teach her that girl lesson. We go send them out of the place. It's getting too much.
I have just given my own opinion. Anything you like to do, you better do.
We know take your opinion.
We know take.
Now my suggestion we will take.
Full stop. Full stop.
Jesus! I should go back to school. You idiot. Naga. Because of Iku now. You idiot.
Sister, see, if you go to school, you will learn how to do your business. Nobody will ever cheat you again.
You're funny. So now, wear uniform. And I'll go into the school. You know these villagers begin to sing for me. Betty, Mama Otakara. Betty, Mama Otakara. Betty, Mama Otakara. That's what you want.
Sister, I'm not saying you should come to my own school. I want you to go for adult education. So you go and learn like your mates. You read, you know how to read and write. So you stop disgracing me, sister. See, even when you come home, I will still teach you.
Kuznifa. Idiot. Idiot. Inekuna. Oh, idiot. I want to disgrace him. I'll come back and then come and teach me 1, 2, 3. Idiot.
I'm just trying to help you.
I hear you. I'll consider the suggest. Now.
Now that I've finished teaching you, remember that biscuit is good for the body.
Idiot. Say what? Cheta! So why is the capital now? Hey, Cheta!
Sister, you bought your phone.
See the evidence.
Hey, sister, what's the name?
Blackberry market.
Hey, wonderful. Sister, can you browse?
Yes, can browse. But for now, I buy the call. I buy the browse after.
Let me see.
You idiot. You don't fear anything. You this boy. You want to touch it?
Sister, well, I know how to use a phone.
I know how to use a phone. Who teach you how to use a phone?
Sister, see. They teach us how to use phone in school. Now.
Come on, make call. Let me see.
This phone is fine. Sister, see, you don't have credit on this phone.
Credit? No credit. I pay her full and I collect the phone and receipt. Not yours. You idiot.
Sister, see, I didn't mean whether you bought the phone on credit.
But what do you mean? Say that, bro. Idiot. Now, not church. Obia. Anumpa. You idiot. Not church.
Papa, good afternoon.
Yeah, Janet.
What is this?
Papa, what?
Did you dress like this outside?
But Papa, you saw me coming outside like this now.
Hey! I am done for. Monica! Monica! Oh! Monica!
My husband. What is it again?
Look at what your daughter is wearing and walking around the village. The daughter of Sir and Lady, CFO, KSA, JP, Ezina and Ezina Emeritus. Have I committed any suicide by sending me to school?
I don't understand your problem with the way I live my life. You see me here because I don't have any job yet.
Hey! I am done for.
Janet, you better listen to your father. I don't want any problem at all. I don't want problem in this house.
Sister, see, I told you because there is no credit on the phone that you cannot make calls.
You see? I'll quit my phone. You see?
See what? See what?
The man that said this phone. Oh no shit. So he removed the credit from the phone and give me empty phone. Where?
Sister, this is the reason why I suggested that you should go to school.
Bad job. Idiot.
What's when I'm an idiot?
Idiot. Meaning?
You are the one who should buy credit for your phone.
Where's credit?
Give me money, I'll buy credit. I'm Mele credit.
Ego.
Let me say from 100 to 15, depending on.
Idiot. 15. How much did I buy phone? Still 15. Go and buy 100 naira.
Give me 200 now, so I'll buy for 4.
No, Baba! Shock you.
In my account. You said, man. You can do Ojoro.
Say that one.
Mazu Demba, what I am still saying is that I want you and other elders to understand that it is not right to infringe on other people's right in this community. We can plead to them to change their ways of life and not to punish them or force them into doing things the other way around.
Listen, Maazị Mbaluse. Wetin I no like for all who na we go school na over sabi. Every little thing una carry go to lawyer. Every little thing law. We no talk say we go carry Betty go court. The thing when we talk for that meeting, na we talk say we go teach her and lesson for this village because of the kind bad life she dey live. They corrupt the children.
What kind of life is she living?
Okay, if you no know, you dey ask me. You know they see am. You know they say she dey waka they go up and down. They live anyhow for this village. And picking the small children, then they copy am. You know they see am elder.
Mazu Demba, I have one last question to ask you.
Which question? Ask me now. Ask me.
That girl, did she come to your house to teach your children the waka waka you are talking about? Did he come to your house?
You dey make me laugh. And then they like you. So she go come enter my house, come teach my pikin them before they live bad life. This one where she dey waka, they go up and down for the public of Igwemadu. They corrupt the children. You know, see am. Huh?
Mazu Demba, we should be careful not to take law into our hands.
I talk am. Over sabi too much book. We dey talk up, we dey talk down. E be like say this your brain don change like this. An elder like you. And you there for the meeting where everybody say, bam! Say we go teach her and lesson. You dey talk law, constitution, Nigeria, federal this and that.
Where's Granny?
It's the head, it's in let me load it.
Cheta, are you mad? Huh? You collect money from my hand to go and buy credit and you come with ordinary paper.
Sister, it's not ordinary paper. The card is inside. Hey, sister, don't lie!
Cheta. Jolly Jim Gray. Nah, Jugi. Jolly Jim Gray. You want to use my brain? Eh?
Sister, you don't even understand.
What did you mean I didn't understand? Did I give you 100 naira? Did you not come with ordinary paper? In Akwala? Oh yeah, go and collect my 100 naira from the person that duped you.
Sister, nobody stole your money. You just destroyed this card by yourself.
Hey! Go and collect my money from the person that... If I move you...
My daughter, I am not trying to mortgage your life. What I'm trying to do is not to get in trouble with the Pope, Bishop, and Brotherhood of Knight of St. Agabus.
Papa, when you were going to collect those responsibilities in the church, did you consult me?
Huh?
Yes.
What? Does a father need to consult his children before he makes a decision?
You see how selfish you are, Papa. When you want to take your own decision, you will go ahead and take your decision without even thinking about how the next person will feel, Papa.
My daughter, what your father is trying to avoid is our getting into trouble in the church for your sake.
Come, let us reach a compromise.
Compromise?
Yes.
Papa, what compromise?
My daughter, anytime you are in this village, try to dress decently. But once you go outside, you can dress anyhow you like, no problem.
Well, Papa, since this is what you want me to do, I have to buy new dresses to suit into your desire.
No problem at all. How much are those dresses?
Hey, Papa, it will cost you just 50,000.
Che!
50,000 what?
Naira.
50,000 naira is too much, oh. Goats. Went to collect card and they gave you no, sir. You brought it back. You bring foolish thing back. Goats. Put up your bear like horn. Go there now. Cheta. I'll kill somebody. Hey. I'll stone you.
Tata, what's happened?
Hey, don't ask me what happened. Don't ask me what happened. I sent this man here to come and buy me credit and you give him paper instead of credit.
Tata, I not give you 100 naira credit.
You did.
See, I did. It's not paper that you bring back.
Come on, what will be the problem?
Thank you. I give this man money to go and buy me credit. She give him paper and bring it back.
Ordinary paper. So where the paper?
After I throw it away.
For don't tear am now. Shall I told you? That paper where you tear away, so now be the credit now. See, sister, I just buy my own now, and I go load up on my phone. Take and they make call the go as alive. Wait, my load and me you see. You go understand. See, I don't enter. Now I go talk as I like this phone now. That piece of paper where you tear away for house, so now you 100 naira now you tear so. Idiot.
Huh? You idiot. Huh? You stand there and you allow me to check. You cannot talk. Huh? You idiot. Anupa. You come mad. You idiot. Hey, if I go and tear that credit, check it now. If you not enter, I'll come back here.
Go and check it. If you did not enter, please bring it.
Na church.
Come back here now.
Na church. Idiot.
Imagine credit what I don't give her. This girl I'm
you idiot. Hey! Hey! Give her.
Tata, what's happened?
Hey, don't ask me what happened. Don't ask me what happened. I sent this man here to come and buy me credit and you give him paper instead of credit.
Tata, I not give you 100 naira credit.
You did.
See, I dropped. See, I did. It's not paper that you bring back.
Come on, what will be the problem?
Thank you. I give this man money to go and buy me credit. She give him paper and bring it back.
Ordinary paper. So where the paper?
After I throw it away.
For no tear am now.
Shall I told you?
Shout this paper. Shock you.
That paper where you tear away, so now be the credit now. See, sister, I just buy my own now. And I go load am for my phone, take and they make call, they go as alive. Wait, my load and me, you see. You go understand. See, I don't enter. Now, I go talk as I like this phone now. That piece of paper where you tear away for house, so. Now you 100 naira, now you tear, so.
You idiot. You idiot. You idiot. Huh? You idiot. Huh? You stand there and you allow me to chat. You cannot talk. Huh? That coco. You idiot. Anupa. You can't mad. You idiot. Hey, hey. If I go and tear that credit, check it now. If you don't enter, I'll come back here.
Go and check it. If you did not enter, please bring it.
Na church.
Come back here now.
Na church. Idiot.
Imagine credit what I don't give her. This girl I'm
You idiot. Hey! Hey! Give her. I'm trying to call this girl sense. This woman will not mind her business. Eh? Cheta! 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 Out here! One name. Out here! Okay! Cheta, I know you're still angry. Don't be angry. I'm trying to call my friend, Kendi. The woman in this place, he keeps saying, not available, try later. Not available, try later. Or you can send a mini call of 5 naira. I'm here on a call. Eh? Kendi mother cannot speak English. That person is not Kendi mother. Help me. Oh? Yes,
sister, you disgrace me. So you have to pay me well.
Hi!
Huh? Before I pay you.
One name! Adia!
You're deceiving.
Adia! Adia! Okay!
That company can go.
Huh? Let me go. Huh? One name. I'll give you something. Huh? Huh?
Sister, it's ringing. I'm ringing, Auntie Nikita. It's ringing.
Hey! Betty. You dey come east? Dey come and visit me? My friend! Yes! Yeah, November fine! Kehinde! Oh yeah! Yes! Kehinde, don't forget to bring bread when you are coming. Buy bread. Drink, chin but buy bread. Yes. Okay. It's alright. It's alright, my friend. Okay. Bye. Oh, chin. Okay. Oh yeah.
Go and bring the money. Go and bring the money.
You idiot. Magula.
Sister Betty, what are they?
Magula.
Okay, this is how you do, Abi.
You idiot.
You need my help next time.
Look back.
Oh, why not?
You idiot.
Oh.
Ouch.
But we don't get the wait now. What you come call us for the family meeting?
Papa, take am easy. But you want you? Huh? Because at this your age now, your journey no far again. Take am easy. Anyway, what make me invite all the tenants, that is me, for this meeting? Now because my friend, they come visit me for this village.
Okay, which time that your friend will come?
She don't already reach here now. Why you can't tell us now?
She don't reach here. Come outside. Mind it. Come outside.
Betty, I beg, make you no vex. That she, na I been a man, I been a woman.
Papa, you to know vex so. She, na people. Na people. Na Yoruba woman.
Betty, Yorugini.
Ba woman.
The Baliba case. I feel support woman.
Can you all deserve?
Oh no, lose.
Betty.
Anyway, make him come. Huh? What do we have to do?
Bam.
My daughter, did they welcome you for our house? As you see me so, I'll be one of the cabinet of this village. So we don't talk, say, if you won't stay, no problem, but make you show good example of life.
Don't worry, example, Abi. I've been the show I'm from now.
Okay.
Look me well. I am example person.
Yes.
As for the introduction, yeah, Papa, my name is Kendi Alaka, daughter of Alaka, the Babalawo, sister of time. It's the way we greet. Okay. Yeah. Mommy, keep that shoe. Keep that shoe.
My friend.
Keep it here. Yeah. Mommy. Papa, back to the discussion. You don't have anything, Papa?
My friend.
Yeah. Papa, you don't have anything for the entertainment of the visitor? Like something that have to shine eye, tadu, shaki. You see your brother eye as he be the shaki well.
My daughter, which one be shaki?
My daughter, I no get a shaki for house. Huh?
Okay, you know how. Okay, you see, Papa, as you are seeing me like this, let me go and check the top.
Yes.
For the environment.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait now. Oh yeah, easy. Which one wahala be this now?
Bestie.
My baby.
Bestie. Oh yeah, now you know that this life that I come is for enjoyment now. So let us go to the chopping scene house.
Yeah.
Pan house.
Yeah.
Pan house.
The enjoyment house. Wow.
The house there I say pan one. What? In this village, woman is not behave like that too.
Yes.
Okay, but the best thing I know is not like this. That changed. But if you insist that no papa, no mama, no nothing for me, I go back to my baby. Yeah.
I'll take you.
Yeah.
Power.
Alright, let's go back. Yes. Power. Ready? Focus, Mama. For the power.
I see Janet yesterday. Wetin come happen? Say you see Janet. That girl wey don swear for this village say she no go ever marry. That girl don change you. How? She don change.
That guy fit comot him spot. How you sabi say she don change?
Johnny, for the first time wey I see Janet wear better cloth dey waka for road. Dada, you lie. Dada, you lie. Janet Ekoma wey me, Benji, I know very very well, no fit for her life wear better cloth.
Okay, Dada, you sure say na Janet you see, abi you don shine and you don before you see am? But wait, make you bet money. If no be Janet Ekoma wey I see for road with my 2 eyes, make you bet.
How much? You go bet am.
How much? 1 p.m.
Dada, I lie. Dada, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. for me, 2 p.m. for you, 2 p.m. for you.
Okay. Who go hold the money? No wahala, bring am. I go hold am. No wahala.
I mean,
bring am.
I go hold am.
Hey! Bigger boss! One naked come. Wetin dey happen? See, wetin dey shele? Wait, we bet money for the head of Janet Ekoma. So wetin happen now? Ekena, Dada talk say he see Janet, say he don deal, say he wear better clothes. So we can't tell am say na lie. Say Janet no fit change. So we come bet.
We bet am. We bet money.
Yes.
And as you come so, we won't make you hold the money.
Yes.
Okay. How much be the money?
Okay. 2 p.m. 6 p.m. 2 p.m. each.
Okay. 2 p.m. each.
2 p.m. each.
When I won't make I hold the money.
Yes.
So waiting will be my commission for the money.
Which commission now?
Nada. Ijikwanya again.
Ejimanya.
Now you they talk this kind of thing?
Na me.
No. All of us here know say even bank, bank, they collect commission. It can't be my own. No, my own case go come dey different, abi. See, you know sabi say anytime we man home money, na that time wey the whole temptation dey come. In fact, make I cut the whole matter short. For the money now, for the 6 p.m, una go give me my own 10%. From the money, if una agree, I hold am. If una no agree, make I waka comot.
No wahala. Take hold am.
That's how una come now.
Yeah, Amazon. Na 2 p.m. Give my own here. Na go 2 p.m. Give my own. Hold am.
Now, na serious no.
See ya. I tell you now. I see a little bit. Say Janet. Hold am.
Okay, complete. Oh yeah, now I'm gonna go find the baby now. I'm gonna go to
Yes. We can't look for Janet. Yes. She's there for house.
Okay, she's not at home. She went outside and will come back again. She went to see the Reverend.
If no be now, we will come see her, Okay, see.
Is there any problem?
No. You know, say, we don't have to make we call see her.
Yes.
You get something when they disturb us. You know, say, Janet sabi book well. So they say make we call see if they have.
That's why people have to come back again.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Betty, Betty, baby. Me. Wait, this one where they come by this time where customers never been come. Just a grand level.
I don't know what them. You call it Otonde. I like your liquor burger so. You follow your skirt.
I always have to come and drink. She's a good influence. Yes! I have come out in the shop and bring her here because you know say Otondo na the #1 spot in town. Where if you get special with the wine and lunch. Wait. This is your friend she's having drinks with
Mr. Otondo, Mr. Nikaboga. Mr. Nikaboga. They try to confuse you. You bring it on. You know my second name?
Okay. So as it be now, you know say Otondo get everything. As my name be Otondo, I even get Otondo himself. So what's now go bring on now? Yes, correct.
Wine and Amunchi.
And Pami, special Amunchi. Sit down there and come.
Amunchi where you see. That's how I get Otondo here. Otondo, what about you? Your village people, they shine too much.
Special.
Who is that?
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Danish, yeah?
Oh, money. Oh, no, what?
Special play music for now.
Wọ́n gbóhùn tí mo mọ̀ ọ́ jẹ́ dé èpìlì tí a sọ tó ní. Kó yẹ kàtí. Bíńtà ní ọmọgà.
Don't tire for this thing, eh? You sure say this babe go walk past this road today?
A matter say he go see father. Before we go reach church, we go see him.
Wait oh, this one una dey talk like this now. Una wan tell me say una don tire?
Oh, how can? We don't bet, we say we don't bet.
I know.
So no going back.
Bless him.
Wait,
lie.
Reach well with them. Boy go dey happy. Last. When she reach well with them. Look, Sergeant. Yes, Sergeant. Abeg, we wan ask you just one question.
Go ahead.
Abeg, na you be Janet?
What kind of nonsense question is this?
Eh?
I'm Janet Ekenna.
What is this? Nana! Come and see your daughter.
Baba, if you see my Baba, oh Nana,
Betty.
I know you're get out. You are a brother. Mama! See, you are a brother. It's your mama. It's your mama. You are a killer. A killer.
No, if you don't go out, don't break your heart.
Baba! Baba! You can only raw. Baba, you run mad. Oh yeah, Baba.
Betty. Betty!
Stop it! If you move, I move you. If you quench, I bring you down. Mark it.
I fight.
Papa, kiss me, Papa. Kiss me, baby. Papa, kiss me, baby. Oh, yeah. Kiss me, Papa.
If you move,
I'm not moving. I'm not moving. Come sit down. I'm not moving.
If you fight, you see from your carry.
Come sit down.
Yeah, in my
Come sit down.
keep your in my Bestie. No fight dress. Bestie. Your papa carry phone. I fight naked. Your mama carry phone.
Come sit down. Don't do that.
Sleep with my friend.
Betty!
Why now?
Keep your leg well. Behind that, you know what?
Papa 69. Papa 69.
You don't want it. Have my child. Hello.
Papa 69.
See your mama.
This man is
Papa 69.
I don't tell you.
See am. Money don't swim. Money don't swim.
Give me the money. And I know they do this thing now. That is so confident. So you should not say
No trial.
You should not say
Make una wait. Na joke make you carry me the waka the whole place since morning now.
Now you dey joke. Na joke. Give me money. Bring that money. Bring am on. Bring am on. Hold up. You get now. Bring the money on.
Don't tell my clothes.
Hold up. Bring am.
Don't tell my clothes.
Mbalosi, wetin you go talk now? We talk here. We say we dey take lawyer into our hand. That fire where we wan quench that time, it don't catch for another place. And it don't begin the burn, it pass as before.
I am lost for words.
You never lost any word yet. We dey talk say Betty dey cause wahala for our children here. She go Lagos go bring another one wey was pass am.
You see am? Okay, the other day they drink tombo for Old Tondo bar. So they become naked.
I did not hear that one. What I heard was that they were drunk and walked on bare feet.
They were drunk and walk up. So that one no be nakedness. When man go comot in shoe, begin walk barefoot for road, no be so nakedness dey start.
Mazudemba, don't exaggerate it.
Wetin we go do to those girls before they go scatter our village for us?
Make I talk. We go talk to our Igwe, and then we hold meeting with the other elders. Make we talk wetin we go do to this mother Azike pikin before she set fire for this community.
How Yoruba woman go leave their country, come here wan scatter our village?
I know.
No way. I no go dey here come see you come spoil my name or my family name. Instead wey you go kill us, you better just pack your things, go back from where you come. Better just pack your things and go back from where you come. What is this?
Papa.
No, Papa, me don't beg me anything. Waiting.
Papa, you a liar.
I'm in agreement with you. You are a liar, Papa.
Yes. Look me eye, look me eye. See, me Kende, I come to this village to enjoyment myself. So nobody can chase me away.
Permanent!
I am a forward ever, backward
never!
See me trouble. How somebody go dey for a house? Wahala go waka come in. If you know from where you carry this girl, come inside this house. Make you just carry and come on, go back that place.
Correct. Almost, yeah.
I'm a liar.
Number one, our family no get name. Number two, we no get house. Thirdly, Kehinde have not do anything bad. Rather, Kehinde have do something good. Now look at it. Since we Kehinde come this our house. Now look at it. Since we Kehinde come this our container cubicles. My life have changed. My life have changed from better to worse. Yes.
Look. What is that?
Break it down. Kehinde Alaka.
Yes.
From Ijebu Remo. Ikeji Taye. The second of Tayo.
I don't want to know. I don't know whether you anywhere will come from or waiting the answer. For all I know, if you no leave this house in peace, you must leave it in pieces.
Betty, your papa is trying me. Your papa is trying me. Whoa, Baba!
Don't worry. I will face it for you.
Leave it, Baba.
I will face it for you.
Nobody can shake me here. I have come here to stay. Papa, you hear
If you move now, I will move you.
Papa, nobody can shake me here. I have come here to stay.
We got the shack, we got the fire, and we light up the light for this village where we did.
Somewhere I like, then I will buy.
What of your madam? She never come today. She no go come. I don't know. She don't tell me when she dey come and when she no dey come.
Wahala sha. How much be this one?
Na 500.
No go sell her for.
No, they don't dey price.
Here, where are you running to? I mean no harm. Just wanna ask you for directions, you know what I'm saying?
Now who you be?
Me? I'm Jerry. Jerry Smart Obi Light.
I know sabi who you be, but anyway, now where you dey go?
Actually going to my papa's company, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Now who come be your father?
Hey, come on. Have I changed so much? Look at me, man.
Now you be Mazi Obilete son.
That's it! Obi Light, yes?
You were with us before?
Oh, come on. I never was missing. I just found my way across to the United States of America, you know what I'm saying? LA, New York City, New Orleans. I've been everywhere.
Uncle Jerry.
That's me, boy. That's me. That's it.
Uncle, come on.
That's it. You've changed, man.
Uncle.
Yeah. I love you. I love you like shit, Uncle. Man. Yeah. You know what? Everywhere has changed so much that I can't even find my way to my papa's compound. Why don't you hop in? Let's go there.
Okay, make we do good. But you go turn round. You don't miss the road since.
Really?
You don't miss the road.
No problem. I got my ride.
Okay.
Come on, let's hit it. Let's hit it. Let's hit it.
Hey.
that script. I love this bunk like shit. Where's everyone? Where's my dad? Where's my mom? Why is it not locked? Huh?
Uncle, Dad,
what do you mean by that? I got a dad.
You know you say Papa don't die since.
What?
Yeah.
Pop is gone? Without notice? Oh, come on. That's not fair.
Uncle, you feel like say you don't tell since you don't communicate with them.
Ah, God, that's not an excuse. But what's my brother? I mean, my mom. Are they all dead too?
Your mama don't die since. They are stepmother in their house.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So, what's the name again?
Dada.
Dada, I know it. I remember Dada. Okay, let me bless you. You sure need some Benjamins, you know. Look at you. That's it. Aha.
For me?
Buy yourself some eggs, boy.
Hey, Uncle, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Uncle, I will come later. Make I begin to go.
This is your crib. You can bust in any time. Come on.
Uncle, thank you.
I'll be waiting.
Uncle,
I expect you.
Uncle, thank you.
Come on, hit it.
Woo.
Hey, what's that? I got my right to be here. This is my father's script. What do you mean, who be that?
Brother Jelly America.
Yeah, you know me?
You forgetting me? It's me, Ekene, your younger brother.
That's a lie.
It's me.
Boy, what have you been eating? You're big! Come on. Oh my God! That's good! You're a big boy now. So who is she?
Mama died, Papa come Maliam. Our stepmother.
Dada, wait. So waiting you, Dada, they try tell me now, say, you use this your two eyes. They see Jerry Obelete. We don't come off from this village since.
I wonder.
Not be only say I take my eyes. See ya. He give me money, say make I take go drink. Huh? Na lie. Make you see am. Na lie. Make you see am. Abi?
Me want see the money.
You don't want see the money?
No, see am.
Okay now. You don't see him? Huh? You see him?
We don't see him.
Benji, Dada, you see him? See him. Okay. You know my guy now.
You know say if you are my friend now.
Okay now.
Odogu dajo. Dajo one.
Benji, you know say you big. Pass them. Take that one. You know your guy now.
As it be so, if I want to move from here, I dey go see that man with my big broken eyes. Maybe to collect my own welcome money and they feel Odogu.
Wanda! Dada, you no go buy though. If you go meet am, meet Jerry, make him give us money for touch your sir. Men gonna touch your sir. Before I go one money. They get one.
Shut up. You want go see him.
Oh. Now Jeremiah be this.
Brother Jelly America.
When we lost to America, that be this one. Hey!
Yeah. I probably know the story now. The regular African stuff. She killed my mom and took over the place. I hate you.
Kill your mama? Me, Agnes, kill your mama? You tell me.
Know the story. The pop is dead. Mom is dead.
Papa don't die.
Oh my God. You mean I got no dad, I got no mom? Man, I'm an orphan! I'm an orphan, man! Oh my God!
Jelly, don't cry.
Oh my God!
Don't cry.
Got no dad, got no mom? I'm a nobody! If you were to be in America, man, I'll be living in an orphanage. Yeah, the time that I got my dough, I've got my bench.
For this village where we dey, for this village where we dey, for this village where we dey, so for this village where we dey, we go to run, we go to chop, we go to work, we go to shack, we go to fire the bread of life. For this village where we dey, we go to run, we go to chop, we go to work.
Geneti. Geneti. Abia. Yeah. Why you look like this?
Betty, how do I look now? Eh? Huh?
Jeanette. Hey.
Abia. Who is your companion?
Nobody.
Hey, how can you say nobody now? When your company is here.
Yeah, it's okay. My name is Kainde. Ikejitai, the second of Kaitai. The daughter of Alaka, the Babalawo. It's a pleasure to meet you.
The pleasure is mine.
I see. Why you lie? Not be me top pressure first. You want snatch and commit. The pressure my own.
You lie.
Yeah.
Yes. Anybody wait thief? You lie.
It's okay, fine girl. Huh?
I don't have trying to meet up with time.
Wait, auntie, why you dey lie? You say you are running late. When you waka, I see. You don't run, no. You feel like say you dey lie. You like to dey lie for this village.
Wait, why are you wearing Mariama?
Betty, it's a long story. I don't want to tell you. Anyway, my crazy indulgence.
No, I don't have. I don't have. That's what. Oh, wait, him. Whoa. What's he talk? Crave. Crave, hunger. Indulgence. Ego. I don't have. How much am I selling the cloth in my shop? I'll give you indulgence. Hey, wait, him.
That they beg for your village. As you find it, you dey beg.
Anyway, I don't have time for talking.
Get away! I see the puta.
Yeah.
I see the puta. Get away! Oh, Mukoria. Puta.
As you find it,
I see the bia.
our clothes be like wedding gown.
Oh yeah.
It be like wedding.
Abia. Lovely. One name. Hey, stop that one.
No respect your madam. You hug your madam. She be your mate. You go say welcome ma. You kneel down.
It's not like that. My friend will help me wash my shops.
I don't know say na your friendship. Sorry, I see. My name is Kendi, daughter of Alaka the Babalawo. Ikejitai.
My name na Blessing.
Blessing, how do you find me?
Person find you. One customer wey dey come find goods. E be like say you go market. Our goods don dey finish.
That's right list of market.
Oh yeah, make we dey go the place where we wan go now. Shebi say you just want to check.
Achicha. Say I poor. Make I no look my shop. Make I follow you. They go.
Sorry, Oda. Ma pe mi lórúkọ mọ́. Stop calling me near this yeye ni idiot. It's idiot. Bleh, you go school.
Oh yeah.
You know go. Stop that to talk to. You sabi speak English. Oh yeah, speak English. Make I. You know mathematics. Oh yeah. You answer my mama like that. Mother like that.
Oh yeah. Oh
We go the shock, we go the fire, the bread of life. For this village where we dey, 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 so for this village where we dey, we go the rock.
Jeremiah, you too, sir. You no go too blame them. How person go born pikin? You no go hear from them. No message, no letter, no telephone. For many years past, they no hear from you. Now heart attack, now kill them. Everybody still say you don't die.
I wasn't dead. I wasn't dead. I was doing my time behind the American bars. You know what I'm saying? I've been to Guantanamo Bay. You know where that is? Guantanamo Bay. Yes, I've been there. I was incarcerated for many years.
What's in that woman?
What?
The one we talk now. The
incarcerated. That means I was in prison. American jail for that matter. Yeah.
No wonder. I'm surprised. We calling you. Your number is not reachable. Your phone is disconnection.
Yeah.
Papa and Mama can't say you don't die.
I thought I was going to die myself. Thought I was going to die. Man, I suffered. My friends stole everything I had and disappeared to thin air. Ike, can I shock you?
Oh, shoot.
Your brother is broke. I'm flat, man. Your brother hasn't got a penny. Yeah, that's the truth. That is truth. Face it. Let's face it.
Jeremiah, you mean say you come back empty-handed?
Even this car doesn't belong to me. It belongs to a friend in Lagos. He was going to bring the car to the village, and since I was coming to the village, I said, oh, bye, why not? Let me be your driver. He'll soon be here to take his car.
So, Jeremiah, you come back empty-handed, just like that, empty-handed, you came back.
Oh, well, there's nothing much to mourn about. I got my social securities, I got my pensions on the way, I got stuff,
Not the only security. Hey! So,
what's that?
What do you mean, Sabi? You come back empty-handed. Now, what do you mean? That is what you mean.
What's the stress? You're not my mom. You're not my mom. Stop nagging me. Why are you nagging me? I told you I got my social securities. I got my pensions. I got stuff on the...
Not the only security. Jeremiah, not the face. Not the only security.
Why are you nagging me? What's the stress? Why are you nagging me? Why is she nagging me?
Mama, let's...
You're not my mom. You killed my mom. I hate you.
Not the only killing.
I hate you.
I dislike you.
I no talk waiting we go do these girls now. Me I no go come meet this meeting again. Make we quick come out the hands of monkey from our soup pot now. Before it becomes the hands of human beings. So
Bonkwem Mazamadi. Before we dey talk of one problem. Now two come live with us. How can a gear stranger come to the house, come to tell the owner of the house wetin go happen for the house? Huh?
My fellow elders, anything wey una wan do, abeg make una do am quick. I no sabi how wahala waka come enter my house, come tanda.
Thank God my own daughter has been tamed. Azike, did you say the girl said she will never go?
I no go tell una lies now. If you see my wife, ask her because the Yoruba witch tell her the same thing for him face.
This is a serious problem. But how can a stranger be stronger than the host? She's a stranger. She does not know the land more than us.
So now waiting you can't talk suggesting.
We will chase her far away from this our community.
Exactly.
Elders, you know sabi say we the elders, we know the youth. This matter never reached to worry us because of her. What we go do be say we go tell the youth, make they come carry these two people, come off from your daughter and the other, carry them come off from this place.
Supported.
So what thing will happen? They say, Mazi Azike, you go give your daughter the last warning with her friends. Because now two of them will go come off from this our community.
Yes, Because stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up, girl? You know how we do it. Yeah. That's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
Hello.
My name is Jerry. You know, Jerry will be light.
My name is Betty. And I'm Kende, the daughter of Alaka of Ijebula and the sister of Taye.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you doing?
Fine.
I see.
Yeah.
I actually just popped in from the US of A, you know what I'm saying?
Ah,
I've been to San Francisco, to LA, New York City, you know what I'm saying?
Hi.
That's good. That's good.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Can I meet you both?
What an insult. You insult us. You call us boats. Oko Oju Oromi, because we stop on the way, you call us boats. Huh?
How do I say this? I mean, can we get acquainted? Can I know the two of you better?
Oh, sorry, you mean both. You mean the both of you, the two both of you.
Okay.
Horrible English, horrible.
It's alright. But we know how we do it in LA.
Both.
Come on. Oh, good. Where are you going to?
Anywhere.
Stroking.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're
come on.
stroking, yeah.
So, can I take you out?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah.
Let's hit it. Let's hit it. Oh, come on. Let's hit it. Yeah. You know how we do it.
Go back. I see no the two both after.
I'll tell you how we do it.
Oga.
Candy.
Over.
Let's
In
go.
New Jersey. Yeah, they're doing New Jersey.
Achaluko mmeri obodo Umukanda abegi no try them cha-cha
Manna from God's own heaven. Come on.
Chiquito mmeri obodo Umuyori Asam petenti sobodo Umukanda abegi no nyan them cha-cha Makana fano badenja.
So roll on. Let a cool California shower just pour down on me. I love Benjamin, you know what I'm saying? Woo!
Hey! Huh? So where is she go now? Huh? Hey! Kende! Jerry.
Yeah.
No, I like you.
Oh my God. I love that.
Yeah. Oh. You say, Lena, doesn't you knew that I love you? In fact, that's why I'm gonna give you this. Check her out.
Oh my God.
Check her out.
Wow. You don't say.
Oh my God.
I love Benjamin.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So what do we call this? My engagement fee?
Ah, no. It's a let me find the grammar for it. It's a laughing teens fee. Laughing teens fee.
Oh. Go on, sugar, Nani. Can I shock you? I love you too. Oh yeah, yeah.
Love me.
And with Benjamin's rolling in, our love will last forever.
Oh baby. You know what? Hey, you know what? Let me be rushing away. Because I don't want my friendship to soar that I'm long-legging you.
I got it. I know what you mean.
Yeah.
I know what you mean. But you can't live like that. Come on. You know what I'm saying? Take it.
Oh, you kiss me.
Oh, yeah. And I'll do it again and again. Come on. I dig you like shit. I dig you like shit.
Come here. No, be you. Now go start the call. Come here before I vex for you.
Eh? Bro, see me here.
Why you dey wear this dress wey you dey wear? Eh?
Because na my own. Na your own. Na my own, that's why I dey wear it.
Why you they corrupt our small girls for this village? Why?
Hey! You dey okay? You see how some mark my face? This hair for this my eye. You see hair, then I shave am. With this your horn, that trouble you dey find. I beg, carry your horn, go your way, make I go my way. You dey hear me so?
I could so deal with you today. Make you know say the kind life where you they live for this village. Say I'm not like her. Hey! Two of you now be so now disappearing and appearing where they do now be. Eh? I go deal with two of you now. And you, I go tell you say I passed through. Yeah. Because see. Hey! Jesus.
Oh yeah, bounce on him. Bounce on him. Design it where.
You the year what?
The year what?
Sister, please.
Dirty pine. You have a dirty pine. Dirty pot. Hey. Dirty pine. The pine they smell. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. You're a man. Yes, I go shit for people. I go shit for food. Yes. Correct shit, igbe. Yes. What you call igbe in your language?
Yeah.
My correct the shit.
Yes.
They're not gonna say babe, go find the shit.
Come see where your bikini they use money baptize me. Hey! All those people what is the process no go. Man, prosperity don't enter my house by fire, by force. I don't eat for glass plate. Obilita come see your pikin, they give me money where agency give us.
Say, Mama, Can I shock you?
Yeah, shock me.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
Not a change America.
That's right.
Eh?
When my container finally arrives, I'm gonna make you
You carry me to America. You carry us to America.
Take it.
See, Jenny,
Mama like this.
my God, bless you.
God na here. God na wire. God na here.
God don't bless you. God don't bless you.
Mama. God na here. God na wire. God na here. God na wire. Nobody be like him. Nobody be like him. God na here.
Na you? Na me, Benji.
Oh God.
Una waiting. I don't die. Hey, which kind witch be this one?
You see my body.
Una waiting. If you see the guy run where you dey pass me for road, that same man follow you. Now man know wetin be that way they pursue you. Uncle, now wetin happen?
I jammed those girls so.
Which girls?
No be Betty and her friend.
Hey. Na lie. Na lie. Now wetin happen?
Me, I don't understand them all. Me wey be Nkusa for this village, everybody they fear me. Now, these girls beat me like small pikin for this village. Me. Don't worry.
You where?
What him that one? Nah?
You be like say you do this thing and you don't enter another level. Uncle? Now just those two small girls. Now you they run. Now come they run follow you.
See as I dey look you. I think so you get sense. See as you big rich. Look at you. See you. So all these things, these people they talk about me. I don't believe them. But now I don't believe them. See you now. Look at me now. Now so my trousers they be. Now so these trousers they be. I say, I dey run for my life. I don't go far. I don't know as my trousers take come up from my waist. You dey here they tell me rubbish. I don't blame you.
Well, I say, wetin go solve this your problem? Na coconut water with carry. Uncle, when I dey tell all of una, make we gather all the village youths take face those girls. Na say I dey talk now. You know see am? You don't go try now. Eh? Wait till you see. Eh? Now you don't come. No, come make me I don't dey run follow you like fool.
Bros.
Eh?
What are they here for?
Mama! Mama! Hey,
what's up, nigga?
What's up? Brother, why is happens for this village?
Ekene, what is happens?
Mama, Nazike daughter and a yellow friend.
They don't die because now the story one want hear be that one.
Everybody for this village don't say they be ghosts.
Oh yeah? Really?
What made them be ghosts now? Okay, now when they don't become ghosts, what they don't do as ghosts?
They knock Kokosa. Knock him. Come on, they lost her for your waist. They don't even touch her, Mama.
Hey, listen, young man. You better be kidding me. Because my sugar nannies can be ghosts. You know what I'm saying?
Brother, not true they talk. You see them by Amadi and Alusi. When they walk out, I say they carry shit for Yash. I hear what those girls do to them.
Oh dear me. You better be kidding me, nigga.
Brother, true to God, I see her with my two eyes. They bless the Kosa. Bless her like hot iron. If you see the whole damage, the whole injury, Where they in body? You go believe me.
Okay. As the story why I want and the spend you tell me say those girls don't die. Since they never die, they still alive. Okay now. No first man go see my with them but he take a man tell me as to take happen. Now that one I go here. But I no first say they come.
Strong man.
Tell my eyes.
I'm a million man.
Papa Betty, why you dey cry like small pikin?
Why I no go cry my wife? When my own daughter don't make up her mind say he go send me to leave grave, wetin I do that girl? And the day they talk of the small problem when they bring, he go carry bigger problem come enter my house. The thing when they vex me now, the whole Umuakala village don't decide say they go kill both of them. For all the bad thing when they do for this village, and they ask me why they cry.
What thing they do them?
And the thing when
they just they pursue people when they do them anything.
Now the thing wey make me I know they like me at times. I go come that thing. I be no verse I be say you are not at the waka or the village they beat people up and down with a friend.
Who they beat?
They beat Udemba. They beat Amadi. They beat Mbalos. That one I heard down. They go beat Nkosa and the Dada. But the thing when they surprise me most, any person when they beat, the person draws go come out without touching them. But the two when they make me vex well they say they don't decide that they go keep both of them, and that me I go follow take my hand, kill my own daughter.
Papa,
hey,
why you cry?
Mama, why you cry?
Oh boy, let me smell tea. Wait till this is the laughing matter. You know the laughing matter.
Wait oh. You say no be laughing matter. Why I no go laugh? The day when me, Benji, go finish come back, they tell you now waiting me see for the hand of those girls. Una believe? Even you, Johnny, you don't be you go collect coconut water, collect garri, say make una give me say I smoke una father for inside bush. Una no know wetin me I pass for the hand of those girls so could they see Nkosa they do let's go. You know say I don't go now.
But this you no gree me understand. How ordinary girls, ordinary village girls go dey terrorize men like us? Nkosa, Benji,
see you Johnny, Benji, you na men, even you they talk. You open mouth call those girls ordinary. Those girls no ordinary at all. Oh. Those girls get power. That day, if you see the abracadabra power, una no believe me. Now una don't see am now. The person why they pity na my friend Nkosa.
You ain't there, self. You see Nkosa.
Useless.
Let's finish that guy. They make me laugh. Those girls.
Una don't know wetin those girls can. See me they can.
Nko my nigga. Nko my nigga.
Nah man.
Nkosa. Oh my nigga. Hold on.
Why they hear me like this?
Relax. Wetin dey worry yourself? Relax. Nko dey worry yourself.
Oh boy.
Why dey worry?
This someone resemble something where I know sabi.
You still dey waka.
Now what you come to do like this?
You see that like?
Which kind talk be this one? Why not they laugh me now? Uncle. So I don't turn to laughing stock now.
Why we no go laugh?
Why you go laugh? Why you go laugh?
Why we no go laugh?
Why you go laugh?
You dey my day here dey talk my own. You say come on here, make you carry muscle go comot them for this village. Nkosa, now no be one side you dey waka now.
My nigga.
I beg shift. Nkosa.
Stop.
no touch me o. No just near me o.
Mama, why you cry?
Why I dey cry? Why I no go cry?
Because they go yarn your papa. Tell am.
Papa, just sit down, cry and go, begin to cry. Because you know good may cry for us, so you will dey can't.
Shut up, Mechionu. Atola Hausa. Wetin you mean by say we dey camp? If they talk of the thing wey I do for village and they go village they look for una.
Papa say you be outside goat.
Papa dá padà, return it to your mouth. Àlàkẹ́ ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ tiwa. Papa, I don't like am.
My father say you be outside goat.
Papa, stop am. No problem, we dey okay, no fear.
Nothing dey happen.
Why you stop that anything wey to say they can
Make we show Papa, come.
Wetin you dey show me? Make I advise una now. If una sabi something, because I know be small pikin wey dey ready here.
Papa, no worry, make we show Papa.
Make una fight things comot o. Make dem come here o.
Finally, I think Benji's suggestion I will follow.
See am now.
And you now, make you go ready your men. Make I go ready my own men. Make sure you ready them well, oh, because these girls, I don't think they are kind of girls where you go use blunt knife kill.
Yeah. If to say una agree with wetin I talk since, by now, if you don't know how far we don't go with those girls, for una no agree. Yeah.
No worry. Now we go do what we go do. No worry.
You know me how they talk now be say anybody get juju, make carry and come. If your papa get juju, make carry and come. If mama get shrine, make carry and come. Because those girls, they no be ordinary person, no be the people wey go use ordinary hand go fight oh.
Oh, Benji, don't come again. What's your problem?
No, leave am o. I support Benji o. I support am. If you get juju for your house, it's better you bring am o, or you go borrow. At least na for protection. As you see me so, I don't dey go house. Make I go sleep small.
No one.
Drink my medicine.
We go see you later.
These girls.
Uncle, sir. We go see you later after.
Uncle. Sorry, yeah? My friend.
If una like, make una dey laugh.
Hey! See, that money, we go spend them before they look for us. And anybody will try anything. No fear, then go die. Now me talk.
Where did you get all these powers from?
I mean, they tell you say my partner called Red Babalawo to go not to go you. That the juju wey give me the use. Yeah.
Nobody fit touch you, nobody.
Anybody will try to touch me, Kende. I know my palori. They go be if they put their neck like this, they die. You.
So nobody. I do you anything.
See, babes, that power, that give me that juju. Now they protect me. But if they burn out, I go go. Amen. I will show you the juju. You show me. After some of my bag time. See that juju? If they burn out, so you gonna be water your brother when they walk kuru like chicken. Unless I walk. You see, two left leg, give a carry am, I beg. Let me tell her, me no near my bag. Come on. See there.
So, that's so we agree say we go do am. Anybody here wey sabi the thing where we go do to that two girls them? Make that person talk and now make to discuss am.
Udemba, thank you for the meeting where you come. It get one important suggest why I get way to help us for this matter.
As we can break, make out that stop. Because you are picking follow for this plan where we do. That is true. But we can't shut him out of the whole thing. Because what he is trying to say may shed more light into what we want to do. No. So, make he wait. As we can wait.
What in the worry your brain? How they talk anyhow? I still be small picking when I won't talk. You go say make I don't talk for the meeting. Why
I say make you wait. You no go talk now.
Okay. No wahala. Make una continue with una meat. Eh? Continue with una meat.
Asike, come back. It hasn't gotten to that. Asike, come back and sit down.
Make una leave and make a waka dey go. Make we dey free talk, discuss our discuss.
You are somehow right too. If Asike is in this meeting, most of us will be free to make our contribution.
Okay, that is true. Because his words are involved.
Yes. Okay, now, where do we go talk? Asike don't go.
Hey! Now, talk. You these cowardly people. What I talk? You be cowardly people. Casey, why take you guys? You understand? Talk. What is that? Talk. Who's my wife? Mr. Allwhite. White House. Somebody on knife.
Baba. That roasted corn we chopping that day, he sweet me.
Which one?
That day we chop am with sweet orange. He sweet me. If he dey Baba there, blink am chop.
See your mouth, he sweet you well. It's sweet now because na fresh corn. We collect on that day na make it sweet like that. You get wetin our people dey talk say aka aja. They are no man. But thing mean be say san hand now they bring oil equals oil for mouth. You understand? But anytime when they say me we go work, you go dey run for work. Wetin dey pursue you for where work there? I no know. If say we no work, we for see shop.
Mama, you always have the light words. Mama, I be don say make I ask you this thing.
Wetin be that?
Brother Jelly, why you telling us that if anybody come look for him in this house, make we tell the person say he no dey?
Okay. I know, sir. I don't know. Igbanti asha ya no she burulushi. Yeah, he say. Shall be tell me you know carry yourself give those witches, you know gree. There's something like that. Now you don't happen now. Eh? As he be now, I hope say he never carry himself give them for the commit himself for the handle because as you see me say I don't know.
Hey, well, Mama, if anything happens to Brother Jelly now, who is responsible?
Ekene? Nothing that I don't know. Who go collect firewood where termite today? Not big call lizard, but they call feast for your house. I beg.
I beg you no try them cha-cha. Makana fanu kwa denja. Chiquito maybe obodo. Umu yori yori. Asam petenti sobodo. Umu kanda. I beg you no nya them cha-cha. Makana fanu kwa denja. Umu ambolonti sobodo. Umu yori yori. Achalugo maybe obodo.
Not available. Huh? This woman. Jay is not telling me that it's not going to be available. The woman said not available. Huh? Not available. Which time you go available now? This is the network in your village itself. It's not available. Again, not available. I cannot reach my boo. My boo in Lagos too. I cannot reach him. It's not available. Oh, it's not available. What? Why you smile?
Is there your call?
Hello. He say love me and I've been love and back. And he say he don't have a view with you. So he have nothing common with you. So that's why. Hey! Love herself.
Hey!
What?
Hey!
What?
Kende?
Huh?
Did you tell me I didn't know of anything?
That's what he tell me. I go lie for you. He say he have nothing common with you. He say Kende, I love you. Kende, I adoring you. And I adoring him. Yeah.
the same thing wey Jerry tell me be that. I give her my money, he still chop my apple. He do you? He do you?
Hey! This boy 419. Ha! This guy collect our money. He chop us like bread.
Who be our? You don't cross me, kinda.
Why you talk like this? The guy been deceive me now. I don't know say they chop your apple now. If they drink my own agbalumo to lay la. I don't know now.
Kinda.
Hey! Hey! Stop it now, bestie. I take phone no. The guy say he no do you, he no know you. He no come on you at all. Say na me he come on. I don't know what you want me to talk. The guy chop your apple, he lick my agbalumo. What I go do? The guy cheat us and me, Kende, daughter of Alaka, the Bebalawo. I promise you I will deal with him. He chop your apple, he lie my agbalumo. I will show you. Hey, you opening your mouth to fly everywhere. Don't let the thing affect your throat, eh?
Hey! Hey!
You to pen. Yeah. You to pen. Yeah. Who you to person? Yeah. As soon as know. Before we dey cry say Azuike daughter, the kind dressing wey she dey dress for this village, say we no like am. As we come plan how we take talk to am, make she change the way she dey take dress. This girl come go carry one Yoruba witch come enter this village. Hey, I don't know where she come from. Come make the situation bad but that baddest. No be the corruption now wey we dey fight. These girls now they go around, they attack people, they wound them, they won't cause wahala for this village. Not be hey matter, not be hey. We have to do something.
Yes.
We have to do something.
Yes.
That's why I came here now. Make we talk, arrange how we go take drive and come for this village.
Yes.
So anytime we una leaders come call una, make una tell others so. Make una respond quick. What I talk? Quick. Quick action. Make what I talk? Quick action. 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 What
Na fara yan. So you could not hear me, Abi. Oh, you my boy. Hey, sister. Na never play finish. May they go to photocopy of na mama and pack up. Now they crazy for the effort. Oh, they go here, man. Oh, go look for another set. What's happened? Idiot. What's it? Idiot. Maybe they go now. Hey! See monkey! Hey! Idiot. The father! Mama, check your papa. Mo go look for another set. I come there now. It's in there. Now they go now.
Because Baba,
Now you go now.
Happen for this our village. It dey make me to fear. The baby to swear the do boys longer to road. They don't disappear. They know they fear. Lie. They no get respect for our village traditional.
Benji, one. You so far, boss, more boss, Rosa, see me so. Eh? You won't make these girls use me as blood rituals. God forbid, God forbid, God forbid. Uncle, my man. So you see me here, so that the neighboring village gets me. Because the home was there is a cutlass, man. Now I'm around them. What is sick? I got no cook or cane. One, no know what you want make our members to do. Our members, if they like, may they there. As for me, life no get photocopy, you no get duplicate. They know they come out twice. Bros, Obago. Oh, Obago.
Mama, for how long Brother Jelly go dey hide inside room?
Okay. I know if now you no go.
We no be on the place they look for. Because they angry am.
Mama, good afternoon. Ekaso. We want to see Jerry.
Jerry?
Yeah.
Sorry, Jerry no day. He traveled this morning. You don't go Lagos. Don't travel Lagos.
Okay, when you come, tell him Betty Akende come.
Mama, you see what I see?
Can you explain it? True.
That no, you don't tell them. Brother Jelly, there's something.
If you go, go talk. I'm not gonna leave my picking. What they wait for in continue and may come back. What's in that want me? Mama. Wait. You know.
Chiquito maybe obodo umu yori asam petenti sobodo umu kanda abegi no nya dem chacha.
Man, what kind of goddamn shit is this? I can't believe it. I, Jerry Boy, Adon in California, hiding in some nameless bush in homeland Africa because of some devils? Shit! Can't believe this. Yeah, hello? Sup? Is that the cops? Great. Yeah. You gotta be fast about this. When I mean fast, I mean really fast. Some criminals are busy killing and maiming innocent people. Umuakala village, yeah? Yeah. So I need you to hurry down. What? Yeah. But you gotta do something. No. As I speak with you, I'm in some bush hiding. Can't even come out. You're the cops. You gotta do something. Whatever. Can you imagine? The cops are telling me that they haven't got gasoline in their vehicles. Shit!
What did they do here?
What does it look like I'm doing? Of course I'm hiding.
I tell you about this place.
And what's so special about this place anyway?
Now land be this now. Now when our farm land be this now, we get all this area our own. Past that riverside, now we get that.
Oh, really?
Eh.
You know what they say about blood? Blood is thicker than water, I guess. Nothing more. Just a coincidence. That's all.
Thank God say we come here. So go fit harvest some crops. Mango, top tree, carrots. We go feature in case all got bigger than man.
Hey, native. You high on some supplies, right? I mean, you're sick. Who's gonna be harvesting some damn God-forsaken fruits with you? Me, Jerry boy? You're sick. What's happening out there?
Brother Jelly, maybe it's something, no? Everybody don't lock come up from village. So people don't come up from their houses. In fact, village don't lock it now.
Jeremiah, this is why we dey talk no be small matter. Everybody from Makala village, everybody don't park in property. Everybody, Sam, everybody, including with it. Also, now make we come here, make we for see place hide now.
We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine pretty soon. I've got the cops. Yeah. I've got the cops. We'll be here in no time.
I pray they'll be here soon. No, high place.
How somebody go there for a house, wahala waka come enter. I commit wetin I commit for burning this pikin. We carrying friend dey cause a trouble for all the village. I mean,
Papa Betty, you know wetin? You know they even put eye for ground. Look wetin dey happen before you begin talk. How my daughter take cause the problem now? Now this village people na dem cause the problem by themselves. My daughter dey im own. They buy clothes, they wear. How it take concern the villagers? I be the one buy clothes give am. Answer me.
Nana,
Papa Betty,
shebi you know say as we dey talk now, everybody don comot for this village. The only way wey remain here.
What fit happen?
Papa, you are right. No wonder. I feel say I no dey see anybody for this village again.
Oh, na so e be. Betty. Carry him friend dem cause.
Betty, can you do that? What's it be this?
No slide your mama now. You won't slide your papa.
Oh yeah.
I take after my father.
Get that thing come out here.
I'm not a bastard.
You sure say na me born you? You sure say na me born you? For Cheta, I am sure.
What's it be this now?
And the only one name.
One barrel.
Hey!
God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. Shit.
Which one busy? Get them meat. Get them meat. Waiting they happen. Waiting.
When are the cops ever gonna come and rescue us from the hands of these vampires anyway? Just take a good look at me. Look at me. In LA, no one will try this shit with me. But now I've become a fugitive in some bush in homeland Africa. You know what I'm saying?
Brother, sorry. Very soon. Police will come carry us from this area. Now Nigeria be this so.
Hey, but come on, Jeremiah. Now who be the devil when you talk of? Devil. Waiting. Who be that?
You know that chick that I got myself involved with? Who else?
Come. Now then they call you so.
Yeah.
It's a lie. It's a lie. You know go happen. They no go ever succeed, Jeremiah. Hey! See, I tell you, every woman fashioned against you, they no go prosper. All their effort, all their wayo effort, they go to fire. I serve a living God. They no go ever get you. None of their plans go work.
This boy up for idiot. Think can carry my man, Abi? We shall see.
Betty, let us go and find this boy and collect our money back from him. You think he can dupe us? You know, dupe us and collect the money and go? Impossible. The man has go. He has go. He has lived your life. Let us go and look for him. The boy has go. Let us go. Now I can't see you. Wait. 1, 2, 3, go.
Just wanna get the hell out of this goddamn bush. You know what I'm saying? That's all I wanna do. Just get the goddamn shit out of this godforsaken bush.
I don't tell you, like you know they call this bush gadam. Not the gadam get this bush, now our own. Now your grandfather get this bush. When he come die, he come give her your papa. Now so your papa he take later. Now our own, not the gadam get am. I don't tell you make you know they call am gadam bush. You know they make me vessel. I don't like am Sam.
So I'm not gonna get my container now that it is driven everyone out of the village. Just I'm not gonna get my container. No one's talking about that.
Not true. That container. Kai, now true you talk. We don't know when that container enter again.
Hey, step mama. Can I shock you? Shut up. Just shut the goddamn shit up. I'm hungry.
Jeremiah, you hungry? I hunger too. Okay, now you no hunger. You hunger.
Brother, sorry for me, but I'm hungry.
If not like that, now we go home, go find waiting your brother go eat.
Which home?
Our home now.
No be me and you. No, come up for this road now. Go jam those witches.
See what you talk. What's it concern witches? They live for road. Whether on a call them or witch or on a devil, anything one like when I name them, they don't get business with us. Now who they find trouble with them that they get trouble with? We get trouble with them. I don't get up. Mama. No, Mama. Mama, me have make her go find what your brother go eat. No there they look your face now. You go die from my hand and they start to give and see. I know. I don't come go business go find what your brother go eat. Jerry. Oh yeah, maybe we go house go find what you go eat, yeah?
Whatever.
I beg. Come, I beg.
Dada. So you no run? Won't go where? If person won't die, he better make a death in his house die. So that he go there easy for his own money to bury him. Na true you talk. Na true you talk. If those girls won't kill us, make them kill us for this umwaka. But Dada, you see those girls can never kill anybody for this village. Wanna harass people. Johnny, now me and you be the king of this village now. I will be the king. And I no be so. Huh? No be so. But I get people where be say they did their house. But not fear, make people run that road. No. You know? Johnny, I go there here, see the end of this matter. I go there here. Huh? Dada, even you. I ain't going anywhere. I go there and see. Yes! I go there and see. Wow.
Man, I'm famished. What are these folks? They've been gone for close to an hour. Damn. I miss LA, man. I miss LA. Hey! Not again. What do you want?
You think you can do hide and seeking for two both of us, Abi? Huh? Now where is the money?
Where the money?
I ain't doing no hide and seek.
Hey. Did you see how Sama on our face? Do we look like Fulani? Where's the money?
Shamo Kala!
I ain't doing no hide and seek. I just came here to catch some fun, no sightseeing, picnic if you like.
Oh no,
I love bush.
It's left boy like you. Smelling Joe. Now, you think you can cast over the two both of us, Abi? And go scot free? Now lie you talk. Oh yeah, you go pay that money by fire, by force. Yeah.
You even tell her that me and you do not have anything.
Yes.
Me? I didn't say that.
You won't lie. With your one straw and 2 bars of pure water. Where be like small dololo, I will squash it for you like that. Yeah. I will squash it. Yeah, smelling tea like you. See, you don't tell us that you are not consideration with her. You don't tell me that you are not consideration with her. Oh yeah. Let me tell you.
What if you came over me? Must have been the devil. I got no money. I got no Benjamins with me, man. I spend all my money trying to clear my containers from the wall.
Devil, and that devil will come around you now.
No, Kende. Kende.
call the cops! Someone help! 911! 911! Oh my God! Oh my God. Oh shit. Shit.
What happened? What did you do?
They were here.
Who be them where? Who be them?
Those witches were here, mama. And they dislocated my knee.
Brother, saw you.
Don't touch it.
If you not touch her, what you go do now?
Get the medics. The medics, fast.
Hey! Wait.
Go carry am comot from this area. Carry am comot for load. You fit see people wey dey around wey go fit help us. Yes.
Well, sure we go fit carry am. Okay, see what you go do. You go run go main road now. See whether you go see people wey come help us. You come help us carry am here. Abeg. Sorry.
Brother.
Hey, sorry.
No, say, you take it easy, yeah? That's it. Good. Easy. That's it.
Yes. You tamper with my man, I tamper with your charm. Come. My name is Kendi. Sister of Taye. That of Alaka the Aba list in Jevuremo. Come and disappear. Next time, when you see somebody mad, you will leave him and jump and pass.
Now go, we are go.
Mama, if you go there, it's eye for ground. You say you never go there before.
I did okay.
You never go there before. Kendi, look after my daughter for Lagos. You hear?
Mama, she be baby.
It's not picking.
Ibiakwa, I know go where. No, they do that. You go back for Lagos. So.
Obia, she can do it. Oya, Obia, mama. Obia.
Think.
Please, you're under arrest. I say you're under arrest. I say you are under arrest. Yes. I say you're under arrest.
Oh yeah, they look now.
Man, watch out, everyone.
Betty, you do that to me. Betty, you do that to me. Betty!
Come, arrest. Let's go.
Betty, you do that to me.
Take her inside. Push her down. Hold it down.
why you dey worry like this now? Person never die you. Nobody die you.
They talk nobody die. It's not better if I die. It's just better if I die. Eh? Trouble go just waka, enter somebody's house. How can this certain Yoruba girl come look anywhere we go enter? You know see, na this house.
But not be she cause am now. Not be your daughter carry am come. Eh?
I just dey thank God. They don't do arrangement finish. How they go commode both of them for this village for fire by force. Eh? That's my happiness.
Now you mean am?
I know mean am. No be the thing when they talk for meeting last time where we go meeting.
Okay. Now be say we go plan. We go tell them make them come out before they do this way they plan now.
You and who go tell them? Tell them now if they will hear you. Tell them. But you get one thing where they disturb me. No vex, you now question like they ask.
Talk now, talk.
Are you sure say na me born that child?
What in that one come in now? Eh?
I don't sit down, come calculation am, come minusing am, come adding am. I come sleep over the thing. That girl no resemble me.
You no get shame for face.
You no resemble me.
If to say you get shame for face, you for carry mirror, look yourself, look me, look Betty, then you go tell yourself the truth, say now you Betty resemble. Even the whole world go bear me to say now you Betty resemble. No make me vex, so not just make me vex. No just try am, no make me vex.
No beside the suspension you. What check when I'm not suspension here? I'm not suspensioning you. I just dey tell the thing where they be fine.
Betty, this your village is bush. In my village like this, you go see network everywhere. That's why I find network. No network in your village.
My village no be village. Betty.
Mama, answer your mother now.
I want to answer. See that I want to tell you something. Betty, I want to tell una say they talk say they go pursue una for this village. The village people. The village people. They do meeting say they will come pursue una. The thing what I want to talk now, they say make una pack una things, run come out before they go come kill una.
No. I beg, stay there. We no go anywhere.
Shebi it's fight that want to come and fight. Make them come. We go fight the fight together.
Okay,
yes.
You go fight who?
Mama, no worry, you go inside.
What's your take fight then? Betty, why go inside?
Yes.
Go inside.
See, she be the always tell you say my papa na babalawo, and I get power.
Come go back.
Wait, you want to see the power? Open your eyes. Your two naked eyes. Open it. I will show you now.
Mama! Hey there! Hey!
I told you.
Hey there!
Yeah, baby.
Hey!
How?
Kende! So, if the village people have come, these are you disappear and they'll kill me.
But friendship, I can't disappear anymore. See, I will take you with me, disappear together. You want to see testing? Oh yeah, you hold on.
When I say go, you are raised one level. The right leg, you are raise it oh. Raise it oh. 1, 2, 3, go! You see? Yeah! Your one is big. Your one is small. You know this one like this. Oh yeah. Oh, chiki. Go. Heavy. Yeah. I told.
For this village where we dey. For this village where we
Hello. My sugar honey. How you doing, baby? Oh my God, I miss you. Yeah. Just want to let you know how much I dig you. Come on. Oh, yeah? Oh, come on, that's nice. It wouldn't be a bad idea to hang out with a beautiful, beautiful queen like you, you know what I'm saying? Give me the chance. Oh, yeah? Oh, I dig you like shit. I love that. All right, baby. Oh, no. I'm back to good old fatherland to stay. Yeah, I'm here to settle all for you. All right, baby. Yeah, I can't wait. Okay, then. Oh, no, not so fast. Come on, wait. Take it. Hold on. You take this. Now, here it comes. 9. All right, love. All right, I'll be waiting. Okay. Oh, God.
Oh, the plum top. 500 naira. It's perfume. No problem. I buy. I pay you in dollars. Pay before service. I pay in dollars.
Who does our coat?
What's your
Jumping master.
For this village where we dey. For this village where we dey. For this village where we dey. For this village.
You dey call me Opolo. No call me Opolo again. I don't like it. Àwọn tó ní ẹ ń lé ní yàrá àwọn òbí ẹ. Hello?
Hello, sugar pie. How you doing? Oh, yeah.
Avia.
I got this huge crush on you and I wouldn't mind an affair, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, yes.
All right, baby. I can't wait to show you how mad I am about you.
Mad. I buy the spirit of mad in you. Mad.
Hey, what are you talking about?
It's true, you say you are mad. I call pastor, make them bind down, cast it out of your head. We'll see, we'll talk later, okay? Bye-bye.
All right, baby. All right, dear. Lots of love. Can't wait.
Same to you too. Me too. Back at you. Love you.
Love have carried him. But you come.
Love is not far away. And I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love. Oh yeah, this clothes, how far with it? You help me and carry this clothes to the market to you. You help me. No problem, give me commission.
Uncle sir.
Yes, my elders.
We the elders don't meet. Come gree say that Yoruba girl where Azuike daughter go carry enter this village must come out from our village by fire by force.
With Azuike daughter?
Yes. We even send Azuike make you go warn them. But with the hear say, then they holler, then they rake. Say nobody dey this village. We go fit do them anything.
For this village? Who brought the monkey? Who be those girls? Who brought them? Calm down first. Udemba, go ahead.
So now we come talk say we go send for you. Make you go organize your boys, the youths. Make una go comot that 2 girls them. Quick.
Why we can't hand the matter to the youths? Now because we are not their mate. We will not fit them for the matter.
My elders, when I not get wahala. You see those girls? We go use broom sweep their leg come up for this village. They don't fear. We go show them say, "Mami bin Kusa."
We know what you can do. That is why we come to you with this matter.
My elders, when I not get wahala. You see for this village, we go show these girls say
the more fit come for this village, come scatter things for us. Who be that person? Who born monkey? Their father yash. My elders, I go see you later. When I go hear from me. It's kind nonsense.
Listen, by the time those girls them carry the eyes see the youth of our village, they go sabi say nobody fit do as they like for our village. So I beg, I get something for now. Make una chop the meat
Leave that meat.
What you bring una come here?
Chop meat. You don't get here, you won't chop meat. Like meat. Like because of meat and drink. That's why I chop now. Come here. They can't do wicked meeting for us.
Come. Una no dey fear. Una no dey fear to come where elders dey. And without even common greeting, open your mouth to question us. Una dey mad. Try. Oh, vacancy. Come. Before we close our eyes and open them again, both of you have disappeared from here.
Okay, Daddy. Yes, sir.
What happened to now? God, this is wahala. I'm going back to my wife.
Sit down. Go back there. Sit your flat baby yash for shower the vamoose go.
Now which kind of nonsense be this?
Baba Dakpada, what you talk? You know what Dakpada mean for English? Say return now, follow am back. Who they talk nonsense? Your father, your mama, and show ya. As I dey look them, I'm gonna lie down, I'm gonna sleep. Baba.
Abomination. We no go fit. You no go fit concentrate on.
Dinani. What's the abomination? Now something
not do.
What do you do? Dinani. Let us fly. Let us fly. Give us up. Let him what? No get hair. No get hair. No get hair. But you won't chop meat. Give us floor. Give us floor. Your father yash. What's on at the top? No get hair. All you need to know hair. But you won't chop meat. But Baba, what you talk about? You say that joke. I resemble Baba's way. And the gas came out. Hey, Baba, you talk. Shut up. Oh yeah. Mona raising her head. Now Mona they look me like your principal. Look me eye. See, as you see me, so anything will happen here. Nah. I am outside. Now go smell now rotten. Bam. Crocronash. As I close my open now, Mona they rock come out. Mona vavu.
Dada, you know the elders called me. And why they call me? Na very serious matter. Now they come commission me for this operation. Now I come call on a quick to come here as the leaders of una own group to commission una as the doctor don't take commissioners.
Nkosa, those girls too they do. They too they do.
In this village, we go show them say now we they run this village.
Alright.
They no fit use us as frying pan. They mad.
Follow.
Nkosa, waiting me at the ask. Waiting the elders won't make we do. I they think won't make we take their focus.
The thing where happen be say they don't want to make we beat them. They want to make we just drive them come up for this village. Make them not even think of coming back, especially that Yoruba one where they chook. How the eye they chook.
Homies, relax. That na small, very small assignment.
What you gonna happen be say now, When I go back to our own group now, go ready on our boys. We go ready our boys for the action.
Nkosa, for how many people we all of us go waste our energy they prepare for?
Now 2 girls now.
Imagine. Look, wait. 4 of us wait here don't already reach to confirm the assignment. We tell enough for the assignment. Everly now, it's swag.
Nkosa, wait. Everything where you hear that talk not true. Because of those 2 small girls, those ordinary 2 girls, I will come go they arrange for my come. We go arrange them ourselves.
Not true, sha. What happen now be say? We go start to dey go. I go signal now. Boy. You go see now. Dada. Okay. Too much. Boy. You go see now.
Mbalsi, make we talk small. Oh. Why? You hear they tell us say, make we not tell anybody the thing will happen to us. Okay, if that is the case, let us go our different ways, so that people will not see two of us together like this. Not true. Ongwa, take this side. Yeah, take it.
Kende. Oh, I love this boy.
Yes,
no, sometimes I feel like
Dizzy.
Papa yo. See your daddy, he dressed like a nigga. Okay. Who?
Jerry.
Oh, yeah, pick.
Hello, Jerry. I'm fine, can't pay. Don't mention. We are in my house. You want to carry us to Angas?
In Mama then go hang. He say we hang house.
Where is Angas? Want to carry us and buy us drink?
Oh, the place is hangar. They buy. We go drink.
We want to drink. Oh yeah, we are coming. Yes.
We are coming.
We are here.
We are coming.
Oh, bye.
He say we won't carry us go buy drink. Oh yeah, now they go.
Logo, sit down. It's not now.
You to happy pum. Sit down, short man. Let's go now.
If they make me to fear, the baby to swear they do boys longer to road. They don't disappear. They know they fear. Lie. They no get respect if our village tradition.
Amadi, I agree to.
As we can.
This one where they look like person we see masquerade. You wear so?
If you see how he dey me now, you no go stand there, they ask question.
Oh, give me. What thing they happen?
I know they move to speak to anybody now. The only thing I want now is to go my house and shoot because my belly dey spoil me. You know see how they waka?
I see how they waka, I don't want. But wait, why don't you go inside that bush? So that you can release the thing and it will not disgrace you on the road.
What are you talking about? How can elder like me, an elder, go inside bush answering nature call? Abeg.
You know what? I will stand by the road.
Abeg.
Just go in. I'll stand by the road. Just go in. I will be watching. So,
Azuike. Abeg, no put me into trouble. Why can't your own dey go? Make I dey go my house.
You can handle once in a while until I know that she's on your cloth.
Achalugo mmeri obodo umukanda abegi no try them cha makana fando kwa denja
If I catch them, I will punish them. Beat them like mad. Can you? Don't move. Oh yeah, I'm going to the color. Oh yeah. You dey craze, I swear, but you dey mad. I will beat them like. Can you? I will slap
God will punish you devils for what you have done to me.
Make una two come here.
You dey talk to us?
I say make una two come. See, I dey talk to una and I dey waka. Like say no person dey talk to una.
You dey mad?
Benji, for this village, now una one cast.
Respect yourself, bros. Why will you?
This guy dey craze.
Respect yourself.
You dey craze?
Yes, now you dey smoke grass.
Oh, na the grass dey hide you.
Me, Benji, dey hide. I dey call una and they go. Come here. Hey! Wait. What just happened? Wait. I'm new now one matter, Benji. If that's
it. See dirty pint. He wear drugs, he say he wear pint. Dirty boy.
Omo yori yori achaluko mmeri obodo. Omo kanda abeg no try them. Makana fanu kwa danger. Chiquito mmeri obodo. Omo yori yori asam pete.
Nah, they wait for people to give us signal. Nah, cause them they done. Which time we give us the signal, man? Which time? I sure say they try organize how the move will be. Organize with it. Make them tell us say we could go out, go carry the commission. Make them tell us say you don't reach. You go finish our work. Finish am well. What Benji? Okay, Nkusa, you don't hear? What did they push you? What? I see ghost. Ghost squad. You see ghost? Why they attack me? Ghost. Benja. You sure you never take over those of Naive in emotion? At all. The Baba don't do over gauge. Begin the see double. Get over gauge. I beg. Come. Leave this idiot. I'm new. You see what's happening? I see ghost. You have to go there. Pick those things where I have to make. Make you just go straight. You just don't try to talk. Look, no kids. Quick, No wahala. No wahala. Make sure you bring the things where they go with them. No wahala. No one believe me, Abi. How we go take believe this nonsense where they talk? Una no dey listen. This grass life una dey live. I say make una live am. E no good. Una no dey listen. Now if you come smoke this thing now, well, now the thing now come enter your head. I be say you don't call me that. You know they listen.
Johnny, see so God don't make me. I jam Betty as I dey waka for road. Now I jam Betty and her friend. And these guys use power finish me. These guys show me power. I dey tell you.
Benja, you don't bring another story.
See.
Benja, what is your problem?
To God who made me. The heaven went there for up and the ground. I jam these guys now they use abracadabra power. I say, I try to show. And now hand the guy point to. I dey tell you, I'm a nigga dey ground. I manage
Bros. You overdose yourself too. You overdose yourself too much today. Leave the guy.
Wow, now they do. I think say my friend, believe me now.
Benja, how you go take believe all this nonsense wey dey talk? Say a small girl, those common girls, these 2 girls wey if you use leg just like this, they don't die. Just point hand. Your trouser comot. You get mouth, one can tell us. You just say we be baby. You just say we be mumu. No boy, you dey. Come out, come on, get out. What is the hold this boy? What is the hold this boy? Okay. Prepare the guy. Oh boy, quick, drink am. You go help you clear the highness with your eye. Come on, this here, Joe. Why is someone this thing now? Waka, Johnny, shake it. Wait. Now me, Benji. Now I go bring coconut water and garri make I drink. In fact, the 12 now. I tell you, say I don't take smoke. I did tell you now, say I never taste smoke since today. But now no one believe me. When I did, they believe Nigerian film now. But relax. What did they answer? You know, sabi the kind story when you fit tell adults.
Even you, Johnny. Nah, one number of phone. You go take a Nah, Waka. I dey come out here.
Come on, sit down here. What you worry now? It is say we go allow you come out here. Go disgrace yourself. That one to that place. All the coming making this. You know they go anywhere. See, you know they go anywhere.
Wonder more.
Feed them. Hey,
Mazi Azwike, you are welcome.
What thing they do you?
I know where.
Since when you come to they say this kind of sickness, where you don't even allow anybody to know?
I just come up from my house. I come for the step when they here. So the thing come, I beg, come help me massage my waist.
I know learn that one now. You see, that's the thing why they talk. They say you tell your picking children to do it. You know they could make somebody be alone for house. At least somebody for dog carry missing come tell us say you know well.
Azazike, I sabi how the thing they paying you for your heart, but no worry. I feel manage as I dey alone. I feel manage.
no be say they worry though. But I come say make I know how far I don't make I remain with the youths. About that thing when we talk. I mean the Satan when enter my house. And we don't they come and pay.
No, I beg, I know that day again until I know where. Make una go talk that one. When I wear, then I join you now.
No beside they worry though. No beside they worry. But who I go meet now?
You know they go meet Amadi Mbalose and everybody. Go meet them. When I wear, I come. We talk. I beg.
Okay, I beg. But make you take the picking children. Make they come there with you. No, they go make someone there alone for house. And una go arrange you. What una go do about the Satan when enter my house?
Thank you. Thank you. Foolish man like you. You take man like a pagan. Foolish man. You see my condition as I be. No be your daughter won't kill me.
Run, back in day. If you run
You don't wake up, Bessie. Yeah, just to make I wash all this clothes. Where person will use you find guests for your bill.
Hey, Achicha, yeah. What was that thing that you did yesterday?
Which time?
The time that Jerry take us to the restaurant.
What I do? I naked.
Nearly.
Hey! Jerry see my naked?
Nearly.
Betty talk. Where is he? Is he here? Is he my baby?
You not carry yourself well. Not carry yourself well.
But you know, say na the drunk who I drink, now they make me behave like that now. I no do on purpose now.
That's why you was throwing your body.
But come, are you interested in the guy?
No. Advice for your good.
I no know na the drunk. But by the way, that boy is fine. He's scarce boy. Why you dey blush? You interested in the boy?
Me.
But you say you no interest. You interested in the boy? Small. You interested in the boy?
Leave me.
Asimpo. Leave me, Shebi. Leave me alone.
Asimpo.
Go. So you interested in the boy?
Small.
So this girl is interested in this man. Best. Okay.
Mazidamba, yeah, you go out to yourself. Go out to my sons. Please go inside and bring chair.
Mazidamba, I beg. No be sitting matter carry us come here. What carry us come here? Now that matter, what we discuss with the elders. Now he carry us come here. You see those girls? The kind movement where they work out for this village, you not like them. At all. You know they sweet us for mind again. Eh? Now when una go give us the go ahead, make we finish these girls once and for all.
Okay, make I ask you. When I think say when I go fit fight that girl and even her friend, the daughter of Mazo Azike, when I go fit fight them?
Mazu Demba. Now you they talk this thing with your mouth. You don't know us again. Those girls na small business. Now una curse am. If una don't give us go ahead other things, we for don't finish this thing. We for don't attack these girls.
Okay. If una go fit comot them from this village, make una go down.
Yeah, Demba. Na permission.
Yes.
Go hear stories. Stories.
Make una go. Anything where happen, make it fall for our head.
Now what you want here? Now you Demba. Thank you very much. You go hear from us. You go hear gist. Guy.
Make una go.
You scare me.
Come on, baby. You don't have to be scared.
Why you do kru let that person come down?
That's right. So what's up?
Wow.
Come on, let's have it.
Money for hand. Hug for share.
Oh, really? Okay. I'll give you a bottle of your usual, you know what I'm saying? Promise. Come on, let's have it. Oh, no way, Javier. Oh, you can do better than that. Come on. Oh my God. What's up? Oh, really? You okay? So what's up, guys?
Jerry, did you not look at the road before you shoot? Did you see how some mark in our face?
What's up?
We are woman.
Yes, woman. Yeah.
Oh, that. Come on. You say in the US of A, I mean in Colorado City where I stay, in San Francisco, in New Jersey, guys is like common parlor.
Yeah,
It's
man.
easy for everyone. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, when you're in the US of A, the New Jersey, the New York, you say yo man. You know what I'm saying?
That's it. You're the thoroughbred. Come on.
Come. You the cause of what to be tough bread. We thought of bed.
Cannot even call us flour. Say we are bread.
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm not insulting you. Thoroughbred, that is You're the bomb. You know, you're the home girl.
My daughter, please come. Thank you for listening to me, for changing your style of dressing. If you have refused to listen to me, maybe by now the youth will be chasing you out of this village together with Izike's daughter and her friend.
Are you saying that they're planning to drive them out from the village?
Every plan has been concluded of their ostracization.
Too bad for them. But have they been talked to before this final punishment?
Of course we did. I am happy you are not part of them.
Papa, there's no way I can be part of them now. The gap is too much.
That's why I sent you to school.
Thank you, Papa. I'm grateful to you and the mama.
You are welcome. Anywhere you want to go, go. You are free.
So, Papa, I'm free to go now.
Of course.
Yeah, I got it. You're the home bread, the toro bread, you get bread.
That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, actually, I need a favor from you girls. Come on, angels. I need a favor from you. Yeah. I need some Benjamins.
Benjamin, yes, Benjamin, yes. No, don't Benjamin this company. Maybe the other one.
No, Benjamins, I mean, you know, money, cash.
Oh, money, remember?
That's
it's
it.
all about the Benjamin, baby.
Oh!
It's all about the Benjamin, baby.
Oh!
It's all about...
Hey!
Come back!
I dig you.
Yeah, dig it.
Like shit.
Yeah, dig it like shit.
Dig it on me. I like that. I like that. You know, I'm actually supposed to be having some money, but the Bank of North America, you know, near Colorado, just called me that they ain't printing for now. So as it is, I'm grounded.
Oh, the long and the short of what you are talking say, no, we borrow you money till your cash come.
That's it. That's it.
Don't dig out. I will give you all the money.
Sugar Nanny, you give me 50 grand?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Come on! She's gonna give me 50 grand, you know what I'm saying? That's my girl.
You know.
What's that? You wanna ask something to
She
you?
don't have money, Jerry. She don't.
Oh really? Okay.
Yeah.
You wash those clothes. Are you busy? When are you going to spread them on that?
Hey, sup, mama? Say, mama, what's up? You look like bad dream. What's the matter?
Jeremiah. Now you matter so. You.
What have I done?
What do you do with all those devils where they are?
Devils? Who are you referring to as devils?
Brother, Betty and her Yoruba friend na devils. In fact, everybody for this village, they avoid them. If you see them, run. Run, no.
Oh yeah? Why?
Now pure girls, collecting all the small girls waiting for this village. Our elders come home meeting. Come say, make the girls pack their things, come out from the village.
Really? Hey, kid brother, can I shock you? You only have to, you know, get the opportunity to stay close to those girls to understand what I'm talking about. Those babes are damn gorgeous. I love them like shit.
Jeremiah. I beg you, come out your eye for all these Agamefu girls. I beg you. If you tell what you want marry, come home, tell me. I go use my hand, bend down, select one for you, what go better for you. When me with and go feel it for this house. Shall I don't tell you? Because anybody when they see us with the pion with them, they go think all of us na the same. I don't tell you.
Really?
Not true, brother. Not true, Mama talk. In fact, the youth don't report to the elders. They are ready to attack them, carry them away from the village anytime.
Lies. You know what I'm saying? Lies. I'm from a free country. I'm from the United States of A. And we got our right because Martin Luther King already gave us our right. And those guys have got theirs inclusive. No one, I repeat, no one is going to infringe on their rights while I'm standing.
Jeremiah, you
for those guys, I'll stick out my head, stick out my neck.
You
I
don't
could
finish.
Die for them, baby.
So you come all the way from America, come back here to kill us with hyper. Like you no go work for you. Before you go try venture reach there, I don't first kill you. Kill Ekena before I go kill myself.
Hey, listen, stepmama. No one is talking about killing no one here. All I'm saying is that I ain't gonna allow any villager take the laws into their hands because of those beautiful chicks. You know what I'm saying? Good. Good. By the way, I'm famished. Have we got stuff in the house? I could swallow a whole house. I'm hungry, baby.
No vessel, Jeremiah. It gets more questions I want to ask you. No vessel.
Shoot.
Shoot what? I said I want to ask you small questions. Say make I shoot a carry gun.
Damn it. I just feel like going back to New York.
Better go back. Not be only you don't go Washington.
I've got my class here. Shoot. That means, go on. Speak. Ask. Whatever.
Jeremiah, no vessel. What I want to be saying, when you come back here newly, you tell us your security. The road, they follow you, they come. But now, I don't see security. I don't see defense. I don't come and see you mobile. What happened?
So, I told you I got my social securities, I got my pensions, I got a lot of stuff on the high sea, making its way back to homeland Africa. Did you believe me? No, you did not believe me. Why are you bugging me now?
Bugging you? No, be only security. Why you ask me for food now? No, why you open this mouth? Why you take ETM quick or not? They ask me for food.
Why would I ask?
Why you they ask for food? No worry. I go put security for plate make you eat. I beg. Go bring security then. I go bring that plate. 3 plates back and serve security. Go sit down. I go serve you security.
Really?
No verse now. I go serve you security. Go sit down.
Hey, mama, can I shock you?
Which shock where you never give me?
This is my papa's house.
And so?
Don't forget. I could evict you. I've got the right to evict you from here. This is my papa's house.
Hey, wait. So now that one, now they run your belly back. No verse, no worry. That belly you go shit out for here reach express. You see this house? Now my husband's house.
And your husband is dead. So go.
Oh, sorry.
You got no kid for my dad.
I said wait. I don't tell you say if I die, I hear they go bury me in my house. Go marry I be your wife. Your men, some of them never marry finish. How many children your best get? I think my husband has so.
You're lucky this is not LA.
Not be only LA. You carry gun come back. When you come, which bag you carry come back when you come back?
Shoot you.
Where the bag where you carry come back?
Oh yes. Now well done.
Welcome.
How na dey?
Fine. What do you want back?
Don't worry. Bless you. Make I say this one.
Yes.
Go rest. You don't try.
You be waka alcohol.
How many you want?
Madam, no worry. By the time I finish select, then we'll go top price.
No vex. Okay. Sorry.
Select well. Where you wait finish, go take if you want, you know. They're gonna say, now bend down, select you, auntie. You must go bend down, select. Now Julius I go song. I just remember. Oh yeah, bend down, select.
You don't see this.
Ah, no mess here. See as we raise your young sir.
Idiot.
Bend down, select. You must go bend down.
I don't finish.
How many did you?
4, baby.
1, 500 naira. 4, 1,000.
What did they talk? That's 2,000. What did they do you? Now 2,000.
The money no come from out again. Okay. Leather.
Zupeba. Buy 4 quicker. Natural leather. Zupeba. Customer.
It's not 1,000 you take like it. Hey, Egbame.
That customer cheat you well. 500 naira into 4 places. Not be 2,000. Not the 1,000 you collect.
Try and get Zupeba.
I know Zupeba.
I don't sell this cloth. Zupo. Ne query.
Sorry.
I
don't dey sell this cloth before you come this shop. Come begin dey help me dey sell cloths. Or sim cheat you. Ọchịcha na-ekweri isoro ya na-ekweri. You know ọchịcha too.
Step mama, I just need you to be patient with me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you gotta be patient with me. I don't lie. Oh, come on, Jerry boy doesn't lie. All of the stuff I told you were on the high sea, making its way from the United States of A to motherland Africa. Everything is intact, for real. Trust your boy. As a matter of fact, my insurance company called me only a few days ago and sent me some money to keep body and soul together before my main bomb arrives. Poof!
Jeremiah, all this thing where you dey talk, you sure so?
Mama, na true but Jelly dey talk.
Stop! How you take note?
Step mama, can I shock you? Woo! Here we go. Here's some Benjamins for you, mama. That's it. Straight from the central bank. You know what I'm saying
5,000.
That's it. Yes, so. That's it.
Jeremiah. Can you see your brother?
Brother Jelly. Thank you for letting me. Thank you.
Come on, kid, bro.
Thank you.
No. You ain't seen nothing yet. Just wait. By the time my container arrives and I bring out my
Brother Jelly America
2013 Range Rover Sport. Oh my God, I'm gonna rock this town.
Jeremiah, you get a car?
Car? Oh my God. Go to LA and ask of me. I was rocking America to its very foundations. Look at you. Obama knows me one-on-one.
Obama?
Yeah, well, before he became the president. He was a DJ in San Francisco.
Brother Jelly America
That's it. Come on, so let's get cooking. Come on.
Oh my God. Brother Jelly America
It be like the fashion those others and continue with our plans.
Yes, I think so.
Abi?
Yeah.
Make una no vex o. I suggest so I get another way.
Wetin you now wan suggest will be your own. Suggest am now make we see.
Make the four of us carry all the Umuakala youths follow body. They go face those girls so. Because I know wetin I see for their hand o.
Benji, I know say na wetin you go talk.
We go carry all the Umuakala youths just to face ordinary two girls.
Benji, na what for you?
Benji be no force anybody make he carry youth follow body. I suggest.
If I talk say no get sense, they go talk say me I don't talk too much. How we, four of us now, go carry the whole youth because of two girls? See, make I tell you now. If una no wan go, na only me go comot these girls for this community. Comot them for this village, una go stay with una eye.
We don't delay for this matter. Look, we do and once and for all.
See wetin happen now be say na the elders na im dey hold us down o. But na only yesterday o wey Mazi Udemba come my house come give go ahead order. Na him I come call una here. Then let's settle the matter once and for all. Nkosa.
Wetin me I dey talk my own be say dem say person when the bee don sting before, if you see dragon fly, abeg just na suggest I dey suggest so
make e be like that. Make e be like that. E too dey fear.
Big for nothing.
Hello. Yeah. Oh yeah, where you dey now? Yes. Okay. Hey, make we meet under that tree. Yeah.
On the road, yeah. I give you the money. Love you. Bye.
Omo yori yori asam petenti sobodo. Omo kanda abegi no nyande chacha. Makana fado kwa denja. Omo ambogo ti sobodo. Omo yori yori achalugo mmedi obodo. Omo kanda abegi no try them chacha.
Hey, step mama. I'll be back in a jiff, you know what I'm saying?
Jeremiah, I hope say no be all those girls. They go see you.
Girls? Oh no. I just want to check out some guy that's supposed to give me some cash, you know. All my agents.
Money matter.
Sending me money, yeah.
Now money matter now. Just hurry. The king go back, he go collect us. The man don't change your mind though. You know, say this is what I told you. Say that motor na your own now. You for carry her now, sharp. Go there, go collect the money, come back.
My ride is coming. And can I shock you? You will love my ride like shit.
You know, say you like ofaku with fowl meat inside.
Oh wow, you can say that again. I dig that shit like nah.
No, but you don't say nah.
Oh my god. Oh, you do. You love some Benjamins.
We come on, make us go market. So I go back and go buy a good for you, yeah?
Omo kanda abegi no try them chacha. Makana fado kwa denja. Chiquito maybe obodo. Omo yori yori asam petenti sobodo. Omo kanda abegi no nyande chacha. Makana fado kwa denja. Sobodo, omo yori yori achalugo mmedi obodo. Omo kanda abegi no try them chacha. Makana fado kwa denja. Chiquito mmedi obodo. Omo yori yori asam petenti sobodo. Omo kanda abegi no nyandem chacha. Makana fado kwa denja.